was 12 hours ago.
And good morning.
Good morning.
Our people today. Seems like we have plenty of activity. Hi Cake, hi Fryer, hi Nick, hi Z, and
Nick, you're incorrect. Krister sent that tweet at like 11:15 last night, so I don't know how you got 2:15 a.m.
I don't know. It's very strange.
It's weird.
I was sleeping at that point, so that's why you're saying that.
Yeah. It says 12 hours ago.
Yeah, it says 12 hours ago on mine. Very strange.
If it's 8, I can't do math, so
well,
you guys
12
have
hours would be always 8 o'clock last night then.
Yeah, that's true, yeah. I hadn't thought about that. Timex.
Yeah.
Hello, Arlene! You're here too. You didn't speak earlier.
I was like thinking, should I say hi, Evelyn, even if I didn't see her in chat? I was like, I assume she's there probably. And calling me out on Discord this morning. So cheeky. I love that.
Fryer's here. I like that you called it Stream Sam.
Yeah, Stream Sam.
Yeah, I was like, oh.
Oh, I wanted to tweet. I was planning that. I forgot it. I was planning to take a screenshot of what Fryer wrote and then do that as a tweet.
Oh, yeah.
Because he was like, flawless stream. Always perfect. I was like, yep. Totally agree.
Winky feels invaded by the Easter eggs.
Also, Evelyn, we really appreciate your, what do you call it? New... Discord.
I haven't seen it yet. I haven't seen it. You need to show me now.
Profile picture is what we're trying to say.
Yeah, I like it. Oh, that's awesome.
Yep.
Nick says, oh my bad, might have received the notification at 12:50 and then that might have been what it was.
Yep.
So the doggos have Easter eggs. Yes, and Winky is very suspicious of the little chicks. Right now, oh my gosh, look at this. Can you sniff them? Can you sniff them?
Right.
Winky?
I'm trying to go up and... Fryer, hope you don't mind. I'm going to screenshot you.
You're not supposed to eat them. Winky? I'm just leaking them.
There.
Oh no, stream disconnected. No!
Oh no. Is it reconnected?
This early already a lag is back.
Okay, Evelyn says it's good.
It's back, or the lag is back?
And oh, this is not working.
No, it's still laggy, my friends.
Well,
I think because it says connecting to chat. This is not a good day.
I will see what I can do. Right?
I can try to say, are we back now?
Maybe.
No, not just chatting. It says connecting to chat.
And
so.
Nick says he opened it again and got an ad again. But are we live?
Are we live?
Still no stream though. Okay.
Oh, okay. Right, I'm gonna just
stop it. Or click the reconnecting maybe.
No, the reconnecting is not a button.
Oh, maybe turn VPN off.
Oh shoot.
That's one thing I forgot today. Try to.
Have I done everything? Everything?
Yeah, and we're back. Maybe.
I think we've done everything.
Welcome to the chat room.
Welcome to the chat room.
It says that. Does that say no signal?
That maybe I shouldn't have vented that killed the stream. No. It was actually because we were connected incorrectly, so. I like the fact there's like little head floating around.
Yeah.
The little emoji thing just like floated. I'm like, what?
So things working better now. Maybe. My bitrate says it's weird.
Yeah, but I mean that's Twitch.
Why is that one showing blank?
I don't know.
This is weird.
The bitrate's fine now. Okay. Whew.
Okay, we're good. Sorry for all the fluff.
We're having technical difficulties this morning.
Yeah.
We'll blame the Easter eggs in the dog cam. I don't know why your thing isn't working. It's probably fine.
Okay, no laptop today then.
No laptop today. Our laptop, no.
Why is it no signal?
I don't know. Yeah.
Oh, because we filmed with Yes, I need to switch HDMI.
Okay.
Just a second.
What happened? We were connected on the VPN, so we're disconnected now, and hopefully that works. But it could also be in our internet being crappy. Who knows? So we do not know.
Right, now we have a laptop, right?
Do we? I don't know.
Yes, there we have it.
This short video might help. Is it an Unreal video, Arlene?
Just in case I'm gonna open it up on the laptop.
just gonna Oh my god. It is.
Booyah. I'm sure she's the one making these, right?
Not enough screen shake.
Also, I wanted this.
I need to get better.
Thank you, Friar. Impossible. Stream never late. Stream is flawless. Stream is life. Yeah. Okay, we're getting too much banter, aren't we?
We are. We're not getting enough game Dave.
Well, what is Game Dave?
What game Dave? I don't know.
What games are you guys up to? What time is it over there? It's 8:15 in the morning.
Yes, it's sleepy time for most people, so that's why we stream now. Hopefully.
It's Game Dev o'clock.
It's game Dave.
Right? So what's happening over here then?
I don't know. Well, Winky seems to not like the fact that the little chicks have invaded her bed.
This is no good.
Marcy's like, yep, it's very suspicious.
Winky. Hey. Okay, I got their attention, but yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we're back in business.
Yeah, we're back in business. Yeah. So yeah, we've got like, why are we looking at Blueberry? Stinky.
Because I was working on Toon Shader thing for Reddit.
Where is it?
That's why I did last.
So yeah, we've got multiple choices. You can either do SFX for the game.
Well, it's a bit tricky to do sound effects.
Oh, we got the cup. We have the cup. We have the cup, guys. It's I can't stretch it, but we have a cup.
A sound cup.
A sound cup. Which is a cup.
Right.
And or we have to continue the cutscene, which we still haven't finished.
It's been like the last 2 streams. Have we been doing that cutscene? Why does I make it this stream as well? But I mean, it was shaping up really nice last time.
We just got to do like the time lapsey thing now.
That's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The internet needs a warm up. You're just blasting it with upload from nothing. It gets started. It gets startled and breaks.
That is pretty much how it goes. Our connection is so sad with 10 megabit up. And we're paying way too much for it.
I know we are.
Like,
it's depressing. It's actually legitimately depressing.
We're not cheaping out on it. It's just horrible.
Yeah, and we can't change it. It's sad.
Oh.
It's sad. It makes us cry. What are you up to? There's eggs in my bed.
Yeah.
Can you give me yours, Maurice?
It's 2:15 in the morning for cake. Right.
Yesterday, I fixed a straight hetero code issue, but it's all gay now. It took only 5 hours. I had to remove the code and put it back in. That fixed it.
Sounds rough.
It does.
That is rough.
That is.
And congrats on the Reddit success. Thank you, Z. I was really chuffed when I saw a comment from Unity Technology. It was official. I was like, yeah.
Yoo-hoo.
Awesome.
It's because it did all the hard work.
Well, we chipped in together.
I got scared of Reddit. I ran away. I was like, wah!
Figuring it out bit by bit. Yeah, but that was fun. We need to do more Reddit stuff, but it did take a lot of effort, and we did actually, like, I made that video 3 times before we made a proper one, so I guess it pays off to, like, test things out, get feedback, and thank you so much for all the people who gave us feedback.
Yeah, and on our little Twitch trailer as well. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, it makes a really big difference having that feedback, and I see, like, often what we do isn't that great quality, but we figure it out together. After 5 hours of debugging, I sort of just took the code out, compiled, and then the code in...
No, and then code the same code back in again, and then it magically worked. I changed nothing. This is often what happens, isn't it? Right. I was watching somebody stream Unreal yesterday, and they were counting the same issues. They were just like, I'll delete this code and put it back in, recompile, and now it worked. So I guess that's just an Unreal thing. It's Unreal, man. Sorry.
Right.
Mr. Nicky sent you misters. Yeah, I forgot to do a prefab. And we still got the blueberries in the background rolling around. It's Unreal, man. Did you just say that? I just said that. I'm so mad at joking.
Nick sent me a personal message on Discord with his daughter crashed in the couch saying she's not responding.
That's what happens when our stream dies.
I'm gonna make a clip of winky.exe stop responding.
Oh yeah, we have. Oh yeah.
I have to do that.
Yeah, we have to do that.
Also good when people clip that.
Burn. We.
Oh,
I'm just reading what Nick said. We. I don't know.
Should we see what our cutscene looks like?
Yeah, I just did that, and you weren't looking, so.
Sorry.
I think if I maximize on play, it works.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, we need on when they land.
I forgot to make the prefab.
Oh yeah. Also, when
So-
they land into the pot, we need like soil to pop up, like. Don't you think so?
Yeah, we do. Yeah.
So should we do
Only
that first?
particle effects. Particle effects. Yeah. But do you not want me to make this little? Oh, come on. Where on earth am I? Why am I? Let's just.
I've been keeping busy, okay? It's sad that we haven't worked on the game since last stream.
Yep.
It really is.
Damn. Should I maybe make this a prefab so that then we can just put them and place them in here?
Yes, we should do that.
Yes, we should.
What's cooking? It's the Strawberry Crew. Hello, Shiny Deagle.
Hello!
Or is it D-Eagle?
Shiny Deagle.
Yeah.
Friday said
Sorry.
I tweeted about my sand game and forgot to add a video, and Twitch doesn't have an edit feature.
Oh.
Oh, you mean Twitter?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was just like, Twitch?
It already went viral.
No. But then you can just add the video in the comment, and then anybody that sees it will then see the video, hopefully. Does it work that way? And then just hashtag it.
Do it that way.
We haven't seen this.
And more is abandoned post.
I know, more it smells.
No.
Poopy particles. No, it's farting particles, isn't it? Farting particles.
Deleted the tweet and reposted. That's how to do it.
That's how to do it, yeah.
Okay, we need to prefab.
Right, let's prefab.
It's going to be a fun start to the stream, so I hope you guys are having a good time.
Are you ready to be prefabbed?
We got tea.
We got tea. Make sure, okay, whilst I prefab, guys, make tea, make coffee, make a latte, make water, if you want water, or wine, or if you want or juice.
Whichever floats your boat.
Anything that's liquid.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm not going to say that. Okay.
Fryer goes with water. He's cool.
We like this. Okay, Chris, stir doggo cuddle. Go,
See,
go, 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 go,
somebody
go,
has their priorities straight.
Oops. What happened there? Let's go into prefabs. Special. Go. I'm just going to put lots of push. Oh no, I put push in the wrong way. I'm just going to copy you. I copied too many. Är you snuggling med Vinky?
How's your prefabbing going?
Well, I've got duplicates. This is a good sign. I'm trying to rename them so we can get them in the right places. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be clever and hopefully copy the original positioning of all of them, and hopefully it will work. Let's just try. Let's just copy component. And let's go paste it paste.
I'm having way too much fun over here.
It worked. It worked. Did it work? I think it worked. It worked. I got it to work. I got it to work. I just copied the components. It's just gonna take some time. Let's get on this. Get on there.
Fryer is not talking about water. He's talking about påskmust.
What's påskmust?
Is that like a Swedish thing? I never heard about
No.
påskmust.
Is it like Easter like julebrus type of thing?
Julebrus.
Type of thing.
Or mulled wine? Is that what you think
Mulled
about?
wine, yeah, that's it. No, I'm talking about julebrus. Julebrus is julebrus. It's its own little entity.
Nick, I always drag the component to the projector folder and make it a prefab. How do you do it? Yeah, that is a good way to do it. I don't know how Claire did it.
I dragged it in here and then dragged it out again and then duplicated it.
See? Yeah, I guess it's the same thing. I usually don't watch Twitch, to be honest, because when the viewer count grows, it's hard to have a good experience. What is live streaming if you can't directly interact with the streamer? Yeah, I totally agree with you. And of course, you feel the effects of that as like sometimes reaching 100 viewers. But it's really nice to be able to sit and chat with people.
See, I did it.
When you have like a cute little crowd like we do today.
I did it.
Have you done them all?
I done them all. See, they've all got their two little thingies there.
And random rotations?
And random rotations, I copied the component and pasted the values. See, even Winky's proud of me.
Yeah.
We
forgot to switch back from dog cam.
We did. But It's fine because it's winky.
Yeah. Boy. Right. Good stuff.
Julebrus, is that like julemust?
Yeah, I think so.
Is it called julemust?
Yeah. Or no, they're different flavors.
I need to research this.
Yeah.
No, I spelled it wrong and I added an E. Oh, crap.
Right.
Julemust.
Cakes always learn a lot from these streams. I'm not so sure if we're very good at teaching anything here. We usually, it's the viewers helping us more than the other way.
I don't know. Is this like our julebrus?
No, it's a different
It's made
flavor.
of carbonated water, sugar, hop. I don't think julebrus is like this then.
I've not tried it. The Swedes have their own variation of it. You search for julebrus on Wikipedia and find a Julius Caesar.
Yeah.
Great one.
Probably go to the Norwegian one.
I like how you have like half off screen.
I know. I like how I'm half off screen too.
Right.
Yeah. It's a soft drink. Yeah.
C actually agrees with Evelyn on it. Yes, I agree too. What are you saying?
They say C also julemust. So maybe it is similar-ish. But they say here during Easter the name is påskemust.
All right, so it is. All right.
So
you have julemust and påskemust. All right, we're learning Swedish culture.
So do you have the same thing then? I wanted to see. Okay, it just links to the same thing. Okay, yeah. We're fine here. Yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
Got that open now. Important stuff.
A Dougal drop. Hello, how you doing this morning? Really nice channel trailer. Thank you. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Yes, we worked hard on that trailer, and it was.
And we got lots of feedback from everybody. So
yeah, thank you for everyone who gave iterations and feedback on it. It got there in the end. Right. Mest.
I don't know where we are now.
I was in some Valorant stream because of drops, but those are just insane. What is that talking about, Snake?
Drops, you get drops, which is like stuff for the game.
All right.
So you get like free stuff.
So we need to have loot for Mr. Pips?
Yeah, we do. Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. But isn't that a paradox? You want people to try your game and gain followership, but on the other side, you fear that too many people watch here. I'm serious this morning. Yeah, absolutely. But that's why you have, times where there's low volume and times where there's high volume. You get a bit of both. You can't I don't think you always end up on high volume, so to say.
Yeah, that is true.
You have it for a little time and then you enjoy it and.
I want people to worship me, but I don't want to actually have to talk to them.
Yeah.
These someone.
Cheeky. Yeah.
But are there many people that do the drops in terms of
And thank you for subscribing, Point Separator.
Thank you. 2 months now. Second month is most important. Thank you, Point Separator.
Yes.
I haven't seen you yet. You just come up with you subscribed. Where are you? Hello.
He's just enjoying,
He's enjoying.
hanging out. I like the little emojis popping up now. Yeah, I've been working on improving our stream setup.
Yeah. But, the drop thingies, is that for, just normal games, or isn't it just for, the big games?
It's for the big games.
For the big games, yeah, okay.
Unless people correct us on it. Hello, you all. Yes. Evelyn's saying there's enough streamers to have 1,000 people or more daily viewing them.
Yeah.
What?
Why don't we?
Yeah, one day.
Yeah.
Maybe we can have it for a little while, and then we can go up and down, and we can have small talk, and we can have big talk.
Small talk and big talk, I like that.
Yes.
Oh, it was something new to get into the closed beta. Broke all sorts of records. 34 million people watching to get in.
Whoa. Which game was this?
Oh, we only have 2 drop thingies.
Did you mention that, Nick?
Oh.
Valorant. I've not heard about it. Yeah, he said it was on a Valorant stream.
Oh, okay.
Big talk.
Big talk. Like big talk. Where's Winky? She left the bed.
She has migrated.
She's decided she does not like big eggs in her bed.
Oh.
They make her feel uncomfortable.
We can improve upon this situation.
Dun 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 dun.
That better?
Yeah, ish.
Almost.
Just give her a treat and she'll wake up. The treats are here. Yeah, we forgot, by the way, this morning. We had a grand idea, but we didn't have time to implement it, which was that we were going to have a really, really expensive reward to give the dogs treats, but we'll decide that we'll do it anyway. Just for you guys.
Right, we're trying to get some progress there, aren't we?
Yeah. Well, I mean, I've done the prefabs, so my work's done.
Valorant by Riot Games. Alright, why have I not heard about Valorant? Yeah, I know. I was actually playing the tactics game
yeah.
yesterday. Teamfight Tactics for the first time, just because I have some friends playing it, and I was doing terrible. But I think I'm starting to comprehend the game.
No offense, you were terrible this morning trying to fight an elephant in Assassin's Creed
Point
Origins.
separator. I can.
I need more. Dogs always need more snuggles, but you got to get Morris in this time around.
No. I'm cheating.
He's cheating. Okay. I hope I get a treat for this. Oh, okay.
This is your treat.
Oh, okay. Hello.
Because we need to put in some particle systems.
Yeah, and Winky's super jealous. Yes, you wanted a particle system. Okay, I'll put a particle system in.
No, okay, so what you can do, if you go into the original Mr. Pip's prefab, there's a particle for him kicking dirt up.
Can I go into this one?
Yes. In his feet, I think. Is it on his feet?
No, I don't think.
No, not that one. You have to go into the actual...
The original.
The player, down below, Mr. Pips.
Why am I not seeing it? There you go. Okay. Got the foam anchor, the feet. There's the footsteps. Yeah, okay. Can I copy that? And then just paste
Z
it
asks if TFT is any good. My first impression were not that great, but it's auto chess battler. So if you learn all the units and different strategies, then maybe
it's gonna be really.
Have you seen how jealous this one is?
But you just had snuggles, Winky.
Right.
Yeah. And then look at this little Karen.
Yeah. I have so much channel points I can do this the whole morning. Yeah, but we only have 3 doggo cuddles to redeem for the whole stream.
You know what we should just do? We should just do a special stream, like, in Christmas or summer or whatever, which is just doggo snuggles all the way through the stream. No game dev, just doggo snuggles.
Fryer found the Easter emote modification. Awesome.
Oh,
Mr. Pips is in a little basket and his heart is popping out. Nick's going for breakfast. Have a good breakfast, Nick.
Enjoy your
it with the
breakfast.
family. Don't send many pictures because,
You make us jealous.
Yep, that's how it goes.
Thankfully, none of the stream gets to see it. Otherwise, it'd be like, I know muffins. Yeah, I know.
For 12,000 points, you can do doggo wash. It's a secret. You guys have been newly washed. Yeah, you smell good.
I know. Murray smells of popcorn as well. His paws smell of popcorn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
C is also making now Easter emotes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I've got his feet now. Footsteps. Let's just see where it is. Oh my gosh, it's all the way over there.
Well, obviously.
Yeah. I didn't think it was there. Claire's doing the scrolling thing again. Chris is gonna. Ow! Don't boop me, Marines. It boops me. He always boops my belly when he falls off. I know. He boops me on a regular basis. Morris likes to do it when he's on the sofa. He likes to kick me.
Very cheeky.
It's really cheeky. Winky doesn't do it though.
Yes, I think we need to place each of them into the plant pots.
I think so, we do. So
and then we can activate them on the right timer.
Or we can activate it when the other ones start.
No, it should be activated on,
Oh
landing.
yeah, when they're on landing.
Which means I think we
need a collider, maybe.
That could also be a solution for it, but I was thinking they will all be on the same time, so if we just do a seconds offset, it should be simple enough.
Where do I get it so that it actually plays? Oh, I'm not doing it properly.
3D space is complicated today.
There you go. Got it. It's almost there. Oh, it's yeah.
And Techbox North says, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello. Evelyn says she always feared this concept where you have a large gathering of followers, but you have to satisfy them all. You cannot satisfy everyone.
But you can if you have questions.
Yes.
You can if you have questions.
Yeah, I have a bake-off.
I think we have a very jealous chihuahua. She's off screen. Winky, do singing. No, you can't have your two paws outside of the singing and you're putting the singing. Come on.
Do singing.
Come on. Do singing, Winky. Oh, she's looking at us with these little beady eyes and no.
Do singing.
Why am I not seeing the particles very well though? I want to see them more. Is it because we...
Do singing. Blinka inte. Okay, had to do the stern look.
The stern look.
Right.
I'm trying to see whether I can have them so they. Show
Yeah, so
all the
basically, if
time.
you go into emission, I was going to say this.
Emission, yeah.
Yeah,
Rate
switch
over
it from distance to time.
Okay, so 0 to time.
Yeah. Right, so you want like a lot of it.
Yeah.
So you probably want the emission up in like 25 or something.
Wow, that's what happens, and they land in. I think that's a bit too extreme.
I think it's that's
we need
not
to
too...
change what the thing looks like.
Yeah, so they don't have enough of a lifetime. They're lifetime of 0.1. They should probably have a lifetime of like 1 second.
I think I changed that.
Oh, did you?
I did.
All right.
Maybe that's a bit too much.
No, I think it's fine at 1 second because we're gonna make an impact that turns on and off.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Okay.
I think we increase their speed.
I'm just gonna make this a bit more like darker.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, it actually looks like the speed. Where's the speed? Oh
Start
my
speed,
god!
there.
You go. 5.
No.
2. 0.5.
No, I was more thinking like 2.
Oh, you're thinking 2. Okay.
Right.
That's good. Oh man, it needs to be darker. Is that more? Yeah.
It's gonna be some intense soil pop in here.
Yeah, we don't have the real thing, so.
That's why I make it clear that the game must be cool to me first. It's going to be really hard when I have to make decisions and some people will be hurt. But that's sadly business. I have to be tough. Yes.
Yes.
That soil looks menacing.
No, but it looks like soil at least.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like half opaque soil.
We're going to do at least everything we can to, always be accessible and friendly chaps to hang out with. But, or will we? Maybe we'll just swim in money and, forget everything else and become horrible people.
No, we won't. No, we won't. No. I'll just donate all the money away then and be like,
yeah.
Bye-bye.
Give away too much money already. But you can set the it to looping off.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. And then if you play it, because that's how it's going to be.
Yeah,
right?
it's a bit too...
If you turn the duration down to 0.2.
Oh my gosh,
the
where's the duration? Oh, there you go. It's too tiny.
I gotta go to bed. See you guys in Discord, says Cake. Have a good night, Cake. Thank you for staying up and hanging out with us. It's been nice.
Yes.
And,
it's been really nice to have you here. Hope you have a nice
kip.
And have a nice day tomorrow as well.
Yes. Wish you a nice Sunday.
Need to maintain social distancing. Yeah, that's why we've got the pots in about, slight distances away. This to maintain social distance.
Volcanic soil. Yes. Play this. Right, is that what we're looking for? Kinda. Maybe turn the spread up a bit more.
Spread, yeah. Where's the spread?
So if you go on the shape, you'll learn this soon enough. Shape is on the further up, after emission.
There you go. It's too tiny for me. That's fine.
And then, see this girl concentrating?
It's tiny text.
The
scale.
That was rectangle. I was thinking it was like a cone.
Well, we can see if we can make it. We can make it a cone.
Yes.
That was a crap cone. Because of the angle. Should I just put it to 180?
No, certainly not 180.
Okay.
But put it 70 maybe.
Well, that went out with the pot at least.
Yeah, so that's what I'm thinking.
But is it also from this angle as well, or is it just from that angle? It was only from one area. I don't want.
I think it's the reason it's from one area is because the rate over time arc needs to be 360.
That's what I thought. One of them needs to be 360.
And the rate over time needs to be increased a bit.
The rate over time.
Under emission. Sorry. Just set it to 40 instead of 20. I don't think we are spawning enough in short enough amount of time.
Oh, look at that! It actually comes out the pot. That looks like soil. That looks like soil.
But maybe angle is a bit high. Should we do 50?
I don't know. I don't know. We can see.
There we go.
That looks better.
Yeah.
Hello, my peoples. Hello, Dev Donut.
Good morning.
And Fry thinks it's volcanic soil.
Yes.
Now we just got to make it lava color.
How are you doing this morning, Dev Donut?
How's everybody doing? What are you guys all up to?
Making donuts this morning?
I want donuts now. Krista, you're mean.
Oh.
You're mean.
I'm sorry.
You're mean.
Come on outside.
You can't talk about food here.
Oh, that's how it goes with stream summer.
Stream song.
Oh, stream
And a Z summer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Was it Fryer
yeah.
who said that?
Yes. Yes, it is. All good. 2:37 a.m. here. My girlfriend woke me up, calling me like 10 times just to ask me my Spotify playlist. How do I feel? I don't even know anymore.
You're here, so you're in for some
Yes.
positivity.
Yes.
You know, we have Easter eggs, we have Doggo Cam,
and
we're gonna make sure
we have
the fact
exploding
that
pots.
you don't feel miffed about being asked about your Spotify playlist at 2:30 in the morning.
I think it kind of randomizes a bit here. Are we happy with that? I think that's good.
Evelyn says, I was actually one who said it. Oh, it should feel bad now.
Who said what?
Stream Sama. It was Evelyn who said that. Sorry.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Go
Unless she's joking with us again.
Oh, that.
Oh no, okay, it was Evelyn said stream Sama first. Okay.
I'm checking now. A fairy.
No, Fryer said stream song.
Yeah. It was Fryer.
But it's 7:02, she says apparently. Up. 7:02.
Oh, stream.
Streamo salmon. Summer. Come on. Streamo. Okay. Yes, you are, I'm afraid, correct. Yes. Good with the timestamp.
Right, we got proof.
We have proof. Proof has been screenshotted.
Yes.
It's not footsteps, we're going to call it.
Anyway, back to business.
How are you guys? We are good managing quarantine. It hasn't been any different for us.
Our life are unchanged.
Unchanged, yes.
Because we already live like isolated people.
We're not ordinary people. We have dogs.
We walk out with the dogs, but
yeah,
they get their long trips anyway.
I'm not hurt. Just wanted to squish useless me in the chat.
Oh, you always should squish your useless self into chat, and you're not useless.
Yeah. You're not useless. You can squish yourself. Squish.
Exactly.
Squishes make you happy. Squish.
And thank you for following Ed Forage.
Please say you just followed because I did that weird
for
expression.
the squishiness.
For the squishiness. Yeah, I actually quite like this.
Yeah?
I think this looks good. I think this looks good.
Should we?
Yeah, he followed just for that. Oh, you're awesome, man. You're awesome. Squish the strawberries. No. We can squish Kristen out.
Right, should we put some more particles of faith?
Oh, we should probably put them in
Oh,
each
you
pot.
named it Volcanic Pots. I see the name now.
Actually, I named it wrong. I'm sorry, Fryer. It was volcanic soil, wasn't it? Yes. There you go.
We need to prefab this into the bushes. Because then we can just do like fetch object in child.
Oh, yeah, we can do. Yeah. It's a good idea. Okay, right. Let's do that then, shall we? Are you sure we should be doing it on this one, though? Or should we put it in the pots? Did you say the pots?
No, you can do it on this. Oh, this is scaled down.
This is scaled down. It's not a good idea. We do it in the pots if we do it in.
Yeah, you're right.
My face is squishy now.
You've been smiling too much?
I've been smiling too much.
Oh.
But do we...
Have a prefab of them? No, we don't. I bet we don't.
Oh, no, we don't.
Almost.
Almost.
Can you right click and modify them? Or like open?
Open models like prefab asset.
I can't do it.
That's not it. Right, okay. So,
but one thing we can do, Claire.
Yeah, I can just duplicate them.
No. If you move volcanic soil into it, I'm pretty sure what we can just do is set X and Z value to 0 and it's going to work.
Okay, where's the X and Z value?
The top left and the top right.
Top left. The position here?
Yes.
To 0?
Yes.
The X
I heard squish strawberries, smash them with hammer until the red come. All right, I think it's fine. Who said that? Smash! I want to Switch. Are we talking about Nintendo Switch?
No, we're talking about squashing strawberries, Krister. Chris is a bit slow this morning.
All right. I keep asking my brain to come up with an idea for a simple, small, and fun game. Still no answer.
Well, you've got an answer above in the chat. There you go.
Exactly.
There you go.
Right up there
Right
in
there.
the chat.
Right in the chat.
Right.
I'd rather chomp strawberry with my chompers.
It's
Chompers. Right there.
right there. I just had to...
Got it in my tummy, yummy. Arlene, you need to have cornflakes instead of having the chocolate inside. You need to have strawberry color inside, so then you can snap it in half and be like, red juice is out.
Man, they're giving these people too many ideas. Yeah.
Small, simple, not my thing. Sorry, pal. I'd be having these big brain creative, super big ideas.
Right.
You should see, I already likes my idea. Cornflakes with strawberry jam filling. But my small baby hands can't do anything about it.
The small strawberry.
Oh. Fruit bags. Okay, I'm just gonna go and I don't think I did the soil correctly. Do you also need to put it on the Y? Because it put it there.
Yeah, we need to adjust the height ourselves. Oh, are they not centered correctly? That's strange. This should be inside a pot.
I know, that's what I thought too.
Oh, the pot is not in space 0, is it? Click back to the pot. How do we know? No, it should be.
I don't know.
Why is position 0? Oh, because the y-axis is down. You need to set 0 and y.
0 and y.
Yeah, it's rotated, isn't it? Yeah, and
there
it's the z-axis or something which goes upwards.
Right, well, if I just undo all of that then.
No. I think it's fine because we can set one axis manually.
Okay, sure?
Yeah, just zero it out.
Well, there you go, I did that now. And then we can probably do like
yeah,
here.
Exactly. There we go. Now it's happy.
Okay, so now if we play, is that where we wanted it?
Yeah.
It's not very grand here though.
We can make a bigger one for that one.
Okay. We'll do that. So if I just...
So that's why it's nice that we haven't prefabbed it.
Yeah, so if I just put that one to this one. And then I just do the 0 and 0 on that. And I'm just going to move it down then.
You can just grab the green one there.
The green one?
You know, on screen instead of pulling it.
I know, but I didn't want to do that. Whoa, that was ginormous.
That's fine, isn't it?
That's fine. That's fine. I like that.
Or do we want it a bit smaller? It's going to be a lot of them.
Oh, I don't know. No, I think I like that. Because they're all going to be at different times, surely.
Yeah, they are.
Oi, long time no chat. Hello, Eva.
Hey, how you doing this morning? Are we having a champion morning?
Having a champion morning? Are we having a champion morning? I don't know.
Of course we are.
You're always having a champion morning, according to Krista.
Good. And you? Yes, it's very good here. We're,
that's
enjoying
huge.
soil explosions or volcanic soil as
soil.
Fryer was putting it.
I think I'm actually going to change it a little bit because that was actually a bit too OTT.
Yeah.
Was it the shape? No. Yes. No. Maybe. Just a 30. Let's see if that makes any difference. No, I need to make the size a bit different, don't I? Which is the size up here.
It's
Start size?
Yeah, that one.
See that. Happy with that? I think that
maybe it's
a
bit tiny.
I think that's 4. That has to be 4.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah.
I like 0.4.
This one is ginormous. We're gonna put that, I think, to number 3.
Yeah.
Maybe 2.
But maybe turn the speed down a bit.
Yeah, on that one, I think the speed's good, as you say. Start
1.5?
0.5, let's see. Yeah, I need to make this way small. Oh, shoot, not that. That would have been a disaster.
So many people are playing Animal Crossing on Switch now, and yesterday the title Animal Crushing popped into my head, but then I thought, nah, too morbid. Well, then you have Berry Crushing, which is what the other people here are trying to suggest.
Yeah, pretty much. It's a sad time for Mr. Pips.
Bigger, more particles, volcanic soil. It needs to live up to its name. We can do it for the top one.
Oh, for the top one, there you go. That was just that was pingley.
That's pinly.
Yeah, that was really bad.
Which is a Norwegian word for embarrassing.
I don't know,
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe like using it in English.
Yeah. It's just like one of those words where you're just like, this just sounds too cool for school. What am I changing here? I set the start speed and the start size. That's it. Whoops.
Small, simple game.
I think I made a fart cloud.
I think Animal Crushing would apply. Whoa. What have you done?
I put it to 5.
Turn up the speed. That's what's wrong.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, because they're not flying anywhere.
Well, that was meh. That was also meh. Oh, shoot. No, I don't want that. I'll probably put this up to 10. Yeah. Yeah, no.
I don't feel like we're going the right direction with it.
No? Yeah.
Okay, one thing we can do is randomize the speed. So
Okay.
start speed is, I think, because they're all this like going up at the same time. If you click on a small little arrow next to it, that's how you set random.
It's a tiny arrow.
Yeah, between 2 constants. So you go between like
5 and 10.
5 and 10.
Well, 3 and 5 probably.
3 and 8.
Oh,
6. Yeah, that's fine.
6
Let's
and
try.
7. Okay, let's do that.
Maybe?
I don't know. I think maybe it's too big.
I think the size is too big.
But
Still too big. There you go, that's better.
that
Yeah.
looks like Mr. Pips will fall
Can
into
you
it. And...
frame it more? I don't feel like we're seeing it.
Oh shoot! I'm sorry, guys.
There we go. We can see what we're working on now.
Is this fryer approved?
Animal squishing, soft body physics.
Oh,
Perfecto.
guys, no.
Yeah. You know, you can make soft body physics overnight. It's simple. I researched it because we were wondering how we could apply it to our game, and I realized we're not applying it to our game. It's soft body physics is no joke.
It's no joke.
Right?
Was that what fryers doing? These little, like, you know, these little people falling off the ragdolly things? No?
No, you're talking about Ryan.
Yeah. What's he making?
Yeah, that would be called human squishing.
Human squishing, yes.
Yeah. Can I join the Discord? Yeah, well, we don't have our own Discord. Yeah, and we don't have .discord.
No,
Sorry.
we don't.
We're just hanging out in the Game Dev Friends Club Discord, which is run by Julia. I will link it down in chat for people who want to join in there. And there's 100 Days of Game Dev challenge which has been running there. I meant Game Dev. Well, it is Game Dev.
I'm confused.
Even if it's not our Discord. We will have Discord in the future.
Yeah.
We're just
in
building
the
up
future,
to it.
But not yet, not yet. Not yet, we're lazy.
Not lazy, I just don't want to commit to too many things at the same time and not follow up on it.
Because Christopher got to git commit. I didn't go to the toilet.
Yeah.
Too big.
Too big.
Too big. Too slow.
Yeah, that's alright.
Think so?
Yeah.
You happy with
Maybe
that?
turn the cone a bit higher in the shape.
Where is the cone and the shape?
So it's on 50. I don't feel like it was on
No,
50.
I think it was on 50.
Or maybe it's the radius is too high. You see that?
Yeah,
Put
okay.
it to 0.2. Now play it. Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, like this. I'm getting there.
Making
slowly.
progress.
Oh shoot! Hello. Oh hello. Thank you for the follow.
Ranger on bang.
Ranger on bang.
Bang.
On bang. It says on bang.
Yeah.
It says on bang. Thank you for the follow. Yeah. Where did you go, man? They went. Play. That was very meh.
I'm there now. Awesome.
Are you happy with that?
So much leaves in the way, but it won't be leaves in the way when it runs. Love from India. Awesome. How are you doing? I hope you're having a nice day, because you're like 4 hours ahead of us down in
So that would be like
4.5.
Yeah, like 12 o'clock-ish or something.
Yep.
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 It's so confusing because we switch to summertime and wintertime, and it's like 3.5 and it's 4.5, and yeah.
And most other countries don't even change.
Yeah.
It's way too big.
Mm.
I'm getting there slowly but surely. Oh yeah, I think this is volcanic enough.
Yeah.
Yes,
Lives up to the volcanic soil name.
Yes, it does. I love the fact that I was like, I could have kind of prefabbed it, but I didn't do that. Oops. Yeah. I love that.
No, but I think it has more character now because we made them like a little bit different.
Yeah.
And also it's going to be like with a locked camera and everything, so we can customize each one of them to like work better.
What we can do is we can see how it looks right now.
Well, they won't look like anything, won't they?
Oh no, they won't.
Because they don't have start on play. Oh, they have play on awake. That needs to be turned off.
Okay. Well, we can see how it looks first.
Yeah, okay, do it. It's gonna be like. Yeah.
Yep.
Perfect.
Pretty much.
Where did the
Nothing to add for everything else stop.
plant in the middle go?
Why did everything else function? Everything stopped.
That is so weird. Why is it not playing? Why have we broken it?
Probably an error somewhere. Let's have a look at the error.
Donut redeemed. Is this the final doggo cuddle? There will be more doggo cuddles, don't worry. You just have to manually request it instead of via chat points.
I don't know. It's just asking about this. Bush sizes. Have I changed it? Oh.
Yeah, I'm lazy.
I think I called it bushes. Was it bush or bushes?
Have you renamed anything?
Well, I did the prefabs, didn't I? I think it might be that it's supposed to be like this.
Yeah.
Is it like that?
She looks awkward, doesn't she?
Bush sizes, where's that? List vector 3. Oh, they're disconnected. That's why.
Oh, disconnected.
I bet in the outro animation, yeah. The bushes aren't here.
Well, we're just having a very good time here.
I know.
Sorry, I was enjoying Doggo Snuggles.
What were you doing?
I was going on face cam.
Oh, you're
Oh, that's one small dog. Yes, it's
smooth
very
dog.
small.
Very smooth.
We call her Winky. And I'm not allowed to run around in the UK and say, where's my Winky? Where's my Winky?
Apparently not. That's a bad idea.
According to Claire's parents. So, yeah, we're in Norway, so nobody thinks about it that way.
Everyone just thinks it's cute instead. It's like,
Yes.
Mwah.
She's named after the elf in Harry Potter.
I think it worked now.
I made a script, by the way. Doggo script. All right. What type of script is this? That
Is it
exploded.
a smooth script?
Smooth script?
Is it a smooth dog script? Yeah, it worked now. It's just because of the fact that I didn't plug them in.
Right.
Now they work, at least. There you go.
Okay, let's program this thing.
Let's program it. Okay. So... Well, the ground bush is here. Update positions.
I wonder if there's a dog dating app. Try and Trin Dog.
Tin dog.
Tin Dog.
Aww, you think so, Winky? No, you just float with all of the dogs anyway. Yeah.
Okay, we need to do some coding and get our brains on. Nick's back. That's good because
Hello! The pips are multiplying. Yes, they are. I love it says to delete this line. Did I miss anything? You missed a lot, Nick. You missed a lot. Volcanic soil.
Erupting.
Look, Winky looking at the camera. We can show you our volcanic... poopy particles, no! See, it's our volcanic...
Wonderful. That worked out great. I think Winky is a bit perturbed.
Yeah, you're stuck in my bed today. Winky, what's up? You didn't
Hey.
me. What are you up to?
Right. Back to work.
Back to work. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, so we need to do that. Probably if they collide with it, that it will start it. I think.
I think we can do it on a timer.
You think you can do it on a timer when all of them are individual?
Yeah, because we know all the individual times. Or maybe it's not going to be accurate enough.
Where is one of the little peeps?
You guys always make me feel so welcome. You guys are the best. Yes. You are always super welcome, Nick.
Yes. Except, but you need to bring croissants every single time.
Oh,
To the
yes.
stream, otherwise everyone's upset.
Mm-hmm.
It's very important.
Pay up, man. Right.
Need to have fresh delivery croissants for everybody on the stream. Oh, that would be awesome. Could we do that?
I think that's a quality idea.
Oh, I think it's a quality idea. Yeah, sorry. Oh, I got excited.
I think we should do maybe... Okay, chat can decide. Are we going to do that when the pips hits a trigger, that we do the explosion, which means they need a collider on it and we need a trigger point? Or are we going to just do
No, we
it
can
on
just have a collider. If it collides, then we'll do it.
Yeah, but or are we going to do it on a timer? I'm voting timer. So, because we have all the timings, we just need to find the right offset at what time to play them. Because
Okay, do we... Oh, yeah, we do have the time. Okay, I didn't know that. Okay. Yeah.
Ranger on
Timer.
Bang says timer.
Z said I could do a croissant right now. Did you know, Z, that you can order from Colonial, from Rema 1000 has their own brand called Gottbakt or whatever, something like that?
The Rema 1000 croissants are top quality.
And they're frozen, and they're really good. They just take 30 minutes in the oven. Recommends.
Eva Champion, my PayPal is locked. Alright, I'm just sad days.
We're just happy you're here, says Nick. Yeah,
Yes,
we're happy
exactly.
you're here.
And thanks for the thought anyway.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello, guys. Sorry I'm late to join today. Hello, Fubar. How are you this morning? Everyone's just like, hi.
Yes.
It's like this high train. Hi. Time it seems like it'd be easier. Ooh, I changed my username. I'm the Rotten Davy Jones. Oh, okay.
Right? I was like, I don't recognize Fubar. Rotten Davy John, I am totally on board with. But
Yes.
what's a bit more recognizable?
Yeah, Fubar was easier, yeah.
No.
No, for Davy Jones?
Yeah.
John.
Yeah.
We just say Jones every time. I'm just like,
Okay, I think the consent is towards timer.
I think it's timer based. We're gonna have to do timer. Okay, timer it is then.
Yeah.
Because where do we actually put the timers in here?
Yeah, so I think we should start another...
By the way, do you like this naming up here? There's a name in here called the Nick Loop.
The Nick Custer's loop. Right.
Right, yes, where do we do it then? We got
So-
the time here.
Can I just point around the code and think aloud? I won't do any coding. I'm just holding the cursor. It's
Send
And
the
this-
dogs on you.
right. So we're doing, a
We're doing the
coroutine.
nick loop, yeah.
Do an enumerator, growing bushes here with a yield wait for seconds. But I think we have to instead do start a new coroutine.
Yeah.
At this point
Mm.
where we do volcanic soil.
Volcanic soil, yeah.
Yeah, and then we do like a loop with wait for seconds.
Yeah.
Or something. Because aren't we waiting for seconds?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to think. Don't we have that somewhere?
It's the timing offset here. That's for the growing. What makes them jump at the right time?
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to
Here.
figure out.
Yeah, it is.
Even offset.
It's in a completely different type of setup. It's in the update loop.
Oh, okay.
Right? But I think we can write an enumerator which does the same thing.
Yeah. Because they're all in the positions they need to be in,
Using
right?
these timings on the right side here.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you, Nick, for subscribing.
Thank you.
Woohoo!
I like Z's put his little Easter
Aw.
pips in there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a visual novel soon. I got the artist, by the way. That's
Ooh.
awesome to hear.
That's cool.
Nice. And I suck with usernames. I might change it again. Haha. Well, as long as you tell us that you're changing it,
Yeah,
and you just
please.
have the history of what the names change, and it'll be fine. Can't you animate it somehow instead of doing it in code?
Yes, but then we have to mess around with the animator. And that's just as hard.
Chris doesn't want to mess with the animator. The animator's not his friend.
No. Yeah. Yes.
I will do. That's good. Right. So let's just make a new coroutine, I guess. Do we need to mention anything more about them, or we're just gonna get them via string reference?
Yeah, we'll fetch them by reference. I think.
Yeah, because they're all called volcanic soil.
But we don't fetch the pots here anywhere.
No. You
So-
can't even spell plant pot coaster. Plant pot.
You're gonna put an N in that. Okay. I thought it was just a planning pot.
It's a plat pot. It's a plat pot. It's a plat pot. Like plat pots. Like plat pots.
Animator is bad. Yes.
Yeah, don't like it. Yeah. Thing is, his dogs would have reacted to that. I'm like, oh crap. There you go. It's almost done now. Yeah, okay. We don't actually refer. I guess we could just like string reference it. No, maybe not. I don't know.
Because
What's your thoughts, Christopher?
Because I was thinking one thing we could do is just fetch this object, pots, by string, and then fetch all particles in children. But they might end up in the wrong order. But we can also just reorder them here until they are in the right order. But it's really convoluted.
But couldn't we just maybe put them in here then instead?
Yeah, like
so
this.
So that they align, that all of them are in the right elements.
Yeah, that probably would be a better idea.
I was thinking it's as similar as how we've done the bushes. We know then all of them will come at the right.
It's unfortunate that they don't have things nested in a good way that we can just fetch it. That we have to do it like that. Ugh. We construct things in great ways.
Yeah.
Everyone should code like we. No. Man, this is worse than our beginning script. It's like we've gone all downhill from here in how we code.
Yep.
All right, let's make a new array then, shall we?
Dev Jones says 2 months. That's like half a year. Actually, it's half a year currently. So yeah.
Yeah.
It's quite nice. On desktop, Twitch has a moderator view that is so much more helpful. Yeah, Chris was playing around with that yesterday.
And yeah, that's true because Nick has access, doesn't he?
Yep.
Yeah. I saw that the other day. It's really fancy.
Or something. I'm not good at math. Says that one. Well, I mean, technically speaking, it's half of this year currently because it's the 4th month. So yeah.
You can mod them
Nice
with channel
models.
points, Nick. Oh, okay.
Ooh.
Nick's giving him all the tips and tricks.
Z's giving Nick all the tips and tricks.
That's what I mean.
Z and Nick, yes, it's a bit complicated for Krista this morning.
Should we call it volcanic?
Should we just call it soil or volcanic? Volcanic soil sounds cooler. Fryer, what do you think?
We call it soils.
It's called. That sounds like they just soiled themselves, though. That sounds horrible.
Volcanics.
Thank you.
There we go. We gotta have good naming in this project.
Volcanic. What? Well, that one wasn't a big success. What is that?
I'm not sure what
Has
I'm
he
even
got
looking
bunny ears on?
at. It's bunny ears. Oh, okay. So it was like holding up some type of like clam or something.
It's supposed to be bunny ears. Oh man, okay, I'm getting warm. I'm just gonna open up the window over there.
Yeah.
And take a toilet break. So,
Yeah.
Krister, you know what you have to do?
We're gonna do a get commit. We're gonna do a get commit.
So I'm back on PP in peace.
We're working on that jingles. Rap time.
Quite there yet.
I haven't got quite there. We haven't saved our work, see we don't. Oh no, it's the wrong. Let's see. Here we go. Wrong project. Hit save. Volcanic soil has been added. Fryer. Thanks. See, now you're in our commit history. You're committed for life. We're gonna push these changes. I should probably look up what I'm gonna undo and just have a quick check of what we actually done. We don't. Alright, we've done some changes to the shader graph. That's something I worked on over the weekend. Yeah, it's fine. It can be in this commit. Push. Right, now that we have this awesome array of volcanics, we need to figure out which order to put them in, so I can deal with that probably. Guess we just try it in the order they are and see if that works. And then correct it later if we see it's wrong. It's so terrible how we designed this. It was not thought through at all. But it's gonna do the job, right? You have 3 dog cuddles waiting to be marked complete, by the way. Yes, because I need to have that. What is the button for that even?
What button?
There's a button which, like, when we think people redeem things.
Yeah.
That I have to mark them as completed tasks.
Oh yeah. I can't remember what that is again. Hello.
Yeah, I'm not finding it. Toggle.
Hello.
There's too many buttons on Twitch.
Boy.
See, they're getting dog cuddles now.
Huh?
Oh. What was that gasps from Claire? Did you forget to flush, Chris?
What?
I have no idea what he's talking about.
I think you just crashed your head.
You can still lock the inspector and shift select drag into array. Claire said you knew this.
Krista doesn't know anything.
Alright, could I like drag an array in at the same time? That I didn't know.
Winky, what's the crash?
I need to check this.
Huh?
Well, how do I check it now? I don't. Okay, I can just put on a few more. I put like.
Should I move these out of the way?
I put 13 of them. Can I do 1, 2, 3, 4? Like, oh, I need to shift.
So discover it means.
Right.
There's nothing in there.
Lock the inspector. Then do this.
I'm sorry.
And I can do that. That didn't work. Okay. Right, we did not learn anything new. We just learned that it doesn't work.
Right, sit.
Are we having a doggo situation?
No, we're having a cute doggo situation.
Oh, I was showing things I was doing and I was on doggo cam. But we didn't learn anything, so it's fine.
Do that? Oh, Mars is a bit like...
I'm fixing it.
Do that? Thank you. Right? Boop. Oh, yeah, that's your boop. Thank you. You need to eat it delicately today. Okay, Mickey?
Are we
Sit.
getting Easter treats?
Take a sit. Sit. Okay. Boop. Boop. Yeah, Magenta.
You drag it to the name of the property, so the array name. All right, and then it sets the entire array that way. Okay, I'll try to remember that. Have a bit to learn here, I see. What a vicious dog we have. I'm still trying to figure out how we can mark these tasks as complete. I found it the other day.
I just gonna wash my hands. Mars ate me.
Oh, you've been chomped on?
Ate me with his long little teeth.
Yeah, I can't figure this out. Never mind. Let's get back to work.
Okay, now Marius, you're not supposed to eat it all.
Thank you
Okay.
for following 2Style.
Thank you for the follow. 2Style Ittered. Where were we? Yeah, you figured it out? No.
No. Oh, I've hooked them all up.
Okay, Marius, you need to look towards the camera so we can see what illegal activities you're doing. Which normally involves him trying to gulp it all down. What?
Move a bit back.
Did he already eat it?
Nope, it's all fine. It's cool in the doghood. Aww.
Nick has sent you a screenshot on Discord. So
Alright.
everybody, you are responsible to check that the dogs, or especially Moritz, is not trying to eat his stick all in one.
Yes, give us a warning if that happens. Because it was so ironic when that happened. We were like, yeah, the dogs eat their sticks slowly.
We're not going to do it because it'll be taboo and Moritz will do it.
Yeah.
So we were not going to do it. Just
Then
spent 4 hours going over logic for an animation controller script. Turns out I just wasn't setting my aim animation. Serialization problems.
That's how it is, isn't it?
Yup, it is.
I find animation controllers so hard to work with.
Yeah, so we were doing this, yeah.
I
You did it already?
I hooked them all up.
Oh, wowzers.
Yeah, I know. Now we just need to make the logic. Because we only written one line of code so far.
Have we?
We've written this
Yeah,
line.
we've only done that, yeah,
Yep.
that's true.
Do you want me to code?
You can do it for the time being whilst I just watch Muffins. Isn't doing illegal stuff. It's funny I can get so much progress done in one day and then spend an entire day on a silly bug the next. Yes. That is indeed true. It's truesy. It's a public holiday, but I'm working all 4 days from home.
Oh, hope you enjoy the work though.
Yes, and that you enjoy your holiday as well.
Yes, a little bit.
What is a coroutine? A coroutine is...
So,
A coroutine.
yes, a coroutine in C# is that something that happens over time. I think that
duration, yeah.
if you want to have a proper explanation of it, you shouldn't ask us.
No. Whoa, hello Nick. I always do something like this in the start to make sure all the properties get set. Void start, bool success is equal to false, true, if string. I'm not going to read the rest of that. No. There you go. Can't paste that much here. Oh. Use paste bin.
Great one.
I feel sorry for Winky. Her teeth are too tiny.
So I think we are going to have like a start delay. And then we're going to loop through each of them and then have the individual delays.
Okay, yeah.
But actually, maybe that's going to work wrong because these are totals.
Yeah, and we also need to have them happen like a little bit, like, are we going to have it like at the impact?
Impact.
Yeah.
So that's the initial offset. I think we need to do something like this. Let's see. Oh yeah, we learned last time we could have an auto-completed for loop, didn't we?
That was it.
Was it like for tab? Yes! Alright, yeah, I'm starting to remember. But anyway, okay, we have our for loop.
Chris doesn't know how to do things. Eventually. I feel like animating things, but I don't like animation curves. I want the precision and numbers. Curves are flimsy and bad. Yeah.
It's hard to work with.
I don't like doing animations.
I guess that's why we end up doing everything by code and it's still terrible.
I work for an accounting software company and we have to support the government funding for all businesses who can no longer pay their employees, but at least I'll get paid for these 4 days.
Alright. That sounds like a lot of work.
Yeah. Okay, Maurice, you're abusing that stick.
He's doing fine.
Yeah, I'm just worried he's going to all one go very soon.
Yeah.
Because he's not holding it with his... Alright, there you go. If you hold it, Maurice, it's easier. There you go. I do not want our dog choking on stream.
So you can't look away anymore?
No, I can't look away.
Oh. Can't be that bad.
Winky is fine with it, because Winky can't do it. I think it's also because they've started to get like a bit too hard, and I don't think they like that. Morris, I think, gets frustrated. Yeah, that ain't going very well. No.
Claire's getting too worried.
I'm getting too worried, so instead I'm just going to switch it out with at least normal treats. Okay, Tim. You can have it a bit later.
Such a worry mommy. She hasn't even had a clue what we've been writing for the last few minutes in the code.
No, I haven't. That's what happens with me when I start to get like a bit concerned.
Claire was scarred for life after that happened on the stream where Maurice just chewed the entire stick down.
I know. But it's because he could have choked. I don't want him to choke.
It's fine.
He's old. He's 11 years old.
In his entire doggy life, he's never had any problem with a chewing stick.
I don't say that now. Could have happened.
Well, obviously it won't happen. Now you take them away from them.
Yeah, I guess so.
But they had their fun time, okay.
Now he's looking at the stick.
Yep. So,
Yes.
do you know what we're writing?
We are writing, yes, I do-ish. I'm just going to read it.
Okay, so I'm thinking we have an initial delay.
Yeah, I think
Then
that's
we
good.
loop through them all
Mhm.
and fetch the particle systems.
And the time and offset.
Yeah. So I'm actually thinking, I probably don't here, I'm going to do get component.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
And then we have the timing offset, and then we wait for the timing offset. But
are we getting the get component in the parent or children or whatever, or are we just leaving it as get component?
no, because it will be the right thing.
Okay.
Because it will be the particle system on each of them, and then we just run a play.
Yeah, sorry, I forgot we specified it there. Yeah.
The only problem here is that the offset is total time, not incremental.
Okay.
So it's 0, 1.7, 2, 3, 4.5. So I think
we can see probably how it looks first.
No, I
and
think
see
we
if
need
change
to
it.
do minus the previous one.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can do
Oh yeah, because
float
this is gonna
last offset equals to 0. And then you do offset minus the last one or something like that.
It's good to have a business in these days. Extra love to keep motivated, Fubar. No. Yes, Nick is a motivator here too. Squish the stick. Good morning, Dr. Javasaurus.
How you doing today, Javasaurus? I think that's a great nickname.
And Morris is unimpressed that the stick was squished.
So how is
I
this?
think this looks good. So we're just going to reset to the last offset all the time, but we're not...
we're doing minus the
we're
one
minusing
before,
it,
so
okay.
we have, the in-between time.
Yeah, okay. Sounds good.
It might work.
It might work. Did you save in the first place?
Yeah.
I don't think you saved. Good morning.
It
Well,
worked.
that worked terrifically.
Okay, we need
I think
to
it's because the fact all of them have start
play on awake. Yeah, let's see. Play on awake, turn that off. Let's try this.
We knew it was going to fudge us over sometime.
It works, it works. Something about the solution is stinky. Yes, it absolutely is stinky. But it's for a...
I think they started at the end of the animation. Should we maybe go back and see what's wrong?
It's just a too long delay.
Okay.
So...
5 seconds, maybe?
let's try with 0.
Yeah.
Let's just start there.
Let's start there.
Or that's going to actually
We
be
can
wrong.
launch a coroutine instead. We do have a coroutine.
It is a coroutine.
Are you guys
Live? Yes!
No, we're not.
We are live!
We're not live.
See?
Yeah, it did. It's just they're going too early.
Right? Almost. And in the wrong order or something.
No, it was two. There's a few. If you do it again.
I'm going to put it to 2 seconds.
Yeah, do it again.
Was this something about...
There was 3 of them. I think that were incorrect. So
Nick thinks that some of the effects should be smaller.
that one was fine. That one didn't go off. That one did. Yeah. Okay. Some were a bit mismatched.
I think we have a problem.
I want to see, like, what we have. Like, which ones did you put where? Are they correct?
That might be the wrong order.
Yeah, because they're not based on the.
Yeah, I just took the order from top to bottom. So you need to fix the order then. Ploof.
I was trying to figure out which one is which. Then, how do we figure that out?
Hello, Distron. They play recordings on here sometimes. Yes, but this is not. We usually don't, but it
No,
is
we
possible.
don't do recordings. We do that on YouTube instead.
Yeah. There's a question from Javasaurus. Do you use an animator for this? No, we don't.
We don't.
We use
we don't like animator.
We use a curve and we interpolate the position along the curve for the jump because we want to be able to I don't know. It was a bad idea, but it works.
You just didn't notice what Winky did. Winky wanted to go snuggle Morris's butt.
Yeah, and what
And
happened?
Morris looked back and was like, I'm staring at the stick. Bugger off.
Awesome. Right.
How are you two both dev?
Oh yeah, sorry, Canner. We
How?
are both deving good.
We're deving good. Deving good. Very good.
Yes.
We are deving good. We just gotta figure this out, and I'm not sure how to figure it out. Well, if I find the curves and I put turning gizmos on, I'll figure it out.
Nick also says that we should have a bit more gravity. We can tweak this when we get the timings right, I think.
Okay, curve 1. Yeah, that one is plan pot 3. There you go.
Logical.
Okay, can you remember that?
1 is 3.
1 is 3.
But it's soil number 4. No. Yeah, you said plant point 3, but it's the soil number 4.
Oh my gosh, this
is gonna get fun.
This is gonna get complicated.
Should we try to maybe reorder them here instead?
Yeah,
and then hook them up afterwards?
So this one.
Yes.
Yeah, is that one there. Like that?
Yes, like that.
Yeah, and then let's go back. No, curve number 2. That one is... Oh shoot, no, wrong one. Plant pot 7.
Okay.
That's not supposed to be nested in it.
Yeah.
I have to go out. No, what are you doing?
Fryer is so confused. 1 equals 3, what? Yeah, that's how it goes when we...
But how can I get this out now?
Oh, you have to... Yeah, there you go.
There you go, I got it now. Okay, so if I'm just gonna like close them up now, to close them up for the time being, I'm done with them. So we've done number 2. We're number 3 now.
Javasaurus was suggesting we can use an animation trigger, but since we don't have any animation, we can't have a trigger.
No.
That would have been a good idea, though.
That would have been a good idea.
Yeah.
So I've done curve number 2, done number 3, need to go... Curve number 4 is in plant pot number 4. That's good. We're getting somewhere now.
I'm trying to catch up with chat and see if there's anything I missed.
That's clear.
So what are you guys working on today? We are working on, as Nick was saying, The Life of Mr. Pips, a game Christian and Claire have been working on for a while now, and we're going very slowly, but we're making progress. And we stream every Saturday morning. No, we're working on the ending cutscene for the game, which is that they're jumping into their pots as you've been collecting little pips as you've been going through the game, and so this is the ending cutscene, and it's an absolute disaster how we coded it.
And Morris, you're being a muffin.
You stole my stick, Mommy.
Yeah, I think you need to hide it away from him now, otherwise he's going to be a potato.
Oh, it's lying up there on the table. Right, you see that pixel there?
That tiny little pixel is it.
That's it.
And I forgot he can be a naggy potato if you leave it there. So volcanic soil. This is going to be volcanic soil 1. I'm going to put this volcanics.
And yes, game dev is part of our business, as you're asking if it's a professional or side project. It's just, it's not a very profitable part of our business yet.
No, yeah, we do reading campaigns.
We also do reading campaigns for the libraries in Norway and gamification of reading. So register books and get points and stuff. So, yeah.
Oh, Winky's having a sneeze and fit. Oh, no, put the camera on her quickly. She does a sneeze and fit, it's so funny.
You okay there?
Yeah, she's having her sneeze and fit, it's hay fever.
I did not know that dogs had hay fever.
You okay there now, Winky?
I'm okay now, Mamini. That's funny. We missed the best part of it, though. Morris was obstructing. Yeah, alright, back to business.
Yeah.
But yeah, we do game dev. And we also, we're trying to make this into a good part of our business.
Yeah.
It's a work in progress. It takes time.
I think I've done it. I've renamed everything correctly now.
Alright.
So,
good job.
Let's just go here.
Then maybe to put size to 0.
Where?
On the volcanics. Right, put the size to 0 so you clear them all out.
Okay.
Right? And then put the size back to 8, and then we can fill in the correct ones.
Okay, that's what we'll do then. So volcanic soil 0.
Yeah. Winky has hay fever.
She does have hay fever, I swear.
That's what Nick says.
She has the same. She does the same as me. I sneeze in the morning and in the evening, and that's my hay fever. I know, Morris. And you sneeze too? Yeah.
Dr. Javasaurus says, well, sorry for being so far back on chat. While vector 3 magnitude, little dude transform, local scale, over field null return particle system play. Yeah, that's exactly what it should be. Well, not quite, because the plant comes later. Oh, it almost worked. Ish.
Yeah, it's working in the right order. It's just too delayed.
Too delayed. Okay, there's something wrong with our delay.
Yeah.
In the code.
I'm just going to get rid of that stick so he don't have a naggy potato called Moritz.
Yeah.
Because he's being naggy.
And then give him a treat afterwards.
Yeah, I'll give him a treat afterwards. Yeah, but he's just being naggy. Moritz, do singing.
And we have a dog obstruction on doggy cam.
Just a second.
Nick also has hay fever, and his oldest one too. It's so annoying. Yeah, we also struggle a little bit with hay fever. Not that much, but it's some days.
That's my eyes. I can't
Yeah, Claire struggles quite a bit with it. So you're making entertainment games? Yeah, well, right now. This is certainly for entertainment and funsies. It's like a little adventure where you walk around and talk to characters, and you have a nice time in the world while you go rafting, etc.
I love how Chris is like, yeah, just done the introduction in like 2 seconds flat. Finished.
It's education about the lives of berries. Well,
Yes. It's how berries do not get squished.
it's at the stretch, yeah. Yeah.
It's supposed to be fun. The other part of their company is educational.
Yeah, it's very educational.
I love thinking about
contributing to
these
society.
things to make them as efficient as possible.
Yes.
Fair enough. I mean, for the normal game dev, it doesn't matter. But for my day job, if I didn't optimize everything, our software goes way too slow.
Yeah. Absolutely. We do super optimize things that run on our servers, etc. But for this ending cutscene that's going to run once, whatever.
Good morning, Spoonie.
Hi, Spoonie.
How are you?
Sorry for being slow at reaction, but
yes, we had a doggy.
Hope you're having a nice spoony morning.
I have to go dress the kids.
Yeah.
Be back later. Okay.
So what do you guys do for a living? We run our business, Snuti.
Yes.
But Snuti does more than just game dev.
Yes.
So yeah, that's what we're talking about, the reading campaign and all that stuff. That's what we do.
Which is helping kids to read.
Yeah, which is a lot of for us web development and making systems that gamification. Okay, I know where the error is.
Yep, I do too. Not really.
Okay, maybe chat can help us. The error is here.
This
on line 97.
It's not resetting it, or the offset is incorrect.
Well,
Is it getting the right offset?
There's something not right with offset.
Should we maybe print it?
We can.
Chris doesn't like this idea. Chris is resisting.
If you print this one minus that one.
Okay, let's do that.
Debug log. And do it on the line above.
Okay. I wanted to do it below, but no. Dnub. Log.
I miss my project sniff. It's how do you pronounce that? Cumulative?
Wait, where
cumulative?
is this?
Then just
cumulative.
Yeah, subtracting the previous one won't help, right? Well, I thought it would help. Because then you have the difference between them.
1.7, 0.3, 1, 1.5, 0.9.
Yeah, because you get the difference. If you see the debug log now.
Let's have a look at that. Wherever that is, console there.
Just scroll up.
0.
1.7, then 0.3.
Wait a second. 0.7, 0.3 isn't next.
Yeah, because it's the difference between 0.7 and 2.
Yeah, okay.
And then there's a 1 second. I thought that would be fine. But is that maybe not the timings we use?
Maybe not. We are using those timing.
He thinks the dog cam is the best idea ever. Yes, we totally agree.
You. Morris is upset now. The stick has been removed. This is depressed Morris.
My advanced programming instructor always said, make it work first, then optimize. Yeah, that's what we're doing, except we often skip the optimize step.
Yeah. Then no one's happy about that.
Yeah.
So...
But...
This then, maybe that's not quite working the way we want it to work. Or
maybe I'm misunderstanding how the offset is used. Can we just look at the offset?
Yeah, we can have a look at the
offset. Timing offset, this one. Where is it used? So we're using it here, and then in here, and then here.
Yeah.
Alright, because it does time minus the offset. Yeah, because this is delta time.
Yeah.
Or cumulative, I think.
But also I'm wondering slightly, if you go up. I felt like this was also the bit of the problem.
Oh, that's initial offset, yeah?
Yeah, I know, but the initial offset was already wrong.
Yeah, we can try to improve it.
I don't know, I just want to see whether it made any difference.
Well, it should probably be 1.5.
Nah, one's fine. Volcanic premature optimization. Okay, that was a bit too early.
Well, I did say 1.5, didn't I?
But then it's still not quite right. You can see that.
Yeah.
Let's just put it 0.5 and see if that makes any difference.
Well, it will make a difference, yeah.
You seem to be upset with this.
Yeah, I am upset.
Of course she's upset. She's upset.
So I don't understand why our timing offset doesn't work the way I'm expecting.
Yeah, because it's not... Because that one is doing fine, and then all the other ones don't really set off.
I feel like they're way too late. Saves a lot of time though. My customers don't like it when I show them something that works in a day, then take a week to optimize it. That's a good point. So make sure you maybe don't show it.
Yeah.
Well, it really also depends on what type of stuff you're working on.
Yeah, non-programmers don't understand where most of the work goes to. Yeah, that is indeed true.
Yeah. So really also depends on the task you're facing, I guess.
So let's see.
Ooh, I have an idea. We should have done this with colliders and triggers. That's not the right answer.
I told you that already.
Yeah.
I told you that already.
Yeah.
Clara's always right, isn't that correct, stream? No, everyone's gonna be like, no, it's not true, it's not true. Colliders would have made it so that if it collided, then we would have known to set it off.
But I'm
with a bit of a delay.
Like, what time is it between, if we try to like think about it, when we see it coming in, like how much time is like landed? 1 second. 0.3 was it between there? So I feel like it's right.
But everything is not working the rest. If we just had colliders, it would have worked. Almost always. No, I'm always right. I'm always right.
I don't get it. I feel like I just want to divide the value by 2 and see if that helps. Because it feels like it's running to like 50% too much.
Do you want to do this divided by 2 then?
You can do it like this times 0.5. There we go.
Okay. I made this prototype. It has bugs that will need fixing. We ship now. You know what it could be? What could it be? I think.
We're waiting in
Suspense.
anticipation.
It had to comment without knowing. No, it's too early. It's all different. It's just like what's on
It
there.
almost worked.
It almost worked, but it didn't.
Let's multiply by 0.6 and see if that does it.
Okay, fine. Do 0.6.
That was really close.
That the strawberry isn't done when it hits the pot's ground.
Is it maybe to do with delta time?
I don't know. So the time isn't the time you expect.
Yeah. Could be. Okay, let's see now. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. 0.6 worked. I felt like that one was missing though.
No, that one wasn't missing. But
Was it not?
The first one was a bit meh.
Well.
Was a bit meh. Ergo ...
Ergo delta time. Must be.
That one went in. Did that one go? I didn't see that one.
I didn't see that one either.
I don't know. Did it go? I don't know whether I saw it or not.
Or maybe it goes at the beginning.
Let's have a look. I'm gonna watch just that one pop.
Yeah, it
it
does.
was at the beginning.
This worked.
Yeah, but I wasn't satisfied with the first one that lands there, but it works.
Why multiply by 0.6?
Magic numbers! So they grow in before all the strawberries land in the pots. Magic numbers are heavily frowned upon.
No, this is going to start a time lapse once it all landed.
Yeah, just we haven't
It's
done the
kind of the
time
plan.
lapse part.
And it's snowing inside.
Yeah. What?
Yes.
Is it snowing inside? I haven't noticed that. It's not snowing. It is snowing inside. Oh, shoot.
Yeah, we need to delay the growing.
Yeah, we do need to delay the growing.
Where do we set that again?
I think it was in here somewhere. Wait for seconds, growing bushes.
Yeah, put it to 6.
Magic numbers. I haven't been focusing enough, but this magic multiplier makes me feel weird. Doesn't matter.
It does make us feel weird as well.
I would have preferred my collider approach, but
no.
somebody didn't agree.
Chat agreed with me.
Chat did not
That
agree.
looks nice. But yeah, there's lots of magic numbers in all our code, but it's because we're not going to reuse the code.
Magic
and
numbers.
if you're going to reason about it, we just got to pull it apart anyway.
Wow.
I would never agree on this. Yeah. Well, you should have been here when we made that decision.
Should have been here when Claire voted for none other than colliders.
Right, but it works.
I needed a friend and I didn't have a friend. Oh, I feel sad.
But why is it 0.6? Because I'm thinking like, is it like because it's 60 FPS? Are we counting offset in the other one?
It's probably not going to work on any other device apart from your computer.
But like time. What is time?
I don't know what time is. You're the one who wrote it.
Field time.
60 FPS is 0.06 though. There's a certain amount
Claire.
between elegance and magic numbers.
Look at this. Time is equals 0. Then time is plus delta time multiplied by animation speed. This value is 1.7. What?
We should have gone with colliders.
And I guess that the reverse of that would then be 0.6 or something.
I don't know. Magic numbers.
I don't get this.
I voted for timer. I didn't realize things were like this. See why we hate magic numbers.
Do not learn programming from these people.
It works. From you. I wanted colliders.
Can we not do that? So time is actually representation of time?
No. It works. All is good.
We just need to do this, right? Perfect. Fixed
all
it.
is good. Just now, never ever change it.
Yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan, don't worry. See, now we don't need 0.6 here.
I voted for colliders.
Yeah. Modders will fix it. That did not work. Why did that not work? Okay, let's revert. It was working the way it was.
It worked. I'm Crystal's board kit.
Oh man, this is the worst piece of code I've ever seen.
I told you we should have gone for colliders.
Yeah,
colliders at least been friendly.
This is fine.
Modders will fix it, yes. Modders will fix it. Yes. Krister,
yeah.
You should be embarrassed.
I am embarrassed.
You know, later on, Claire's just going to be like, just hacking away and making a collider instead. And Chris is going to be like, why does this suddenly work automatically? And I'll be like, magic numbers. Oh, what did I just do? I don't know. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, so now we're going to do the time-lapsey part. We haven't done that.
Yeah, what do we want that to even look like?
We said it was going to change, like, the lighting in the background.
Okay, so we need to animate the sun.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. There's probably a main light in the scene, and the lighting effects in the bottom left in the hierarchy. Give me access to the Git, and I'll rewrite it tonight. You know, Nick's fingers are itching when he sees this code and how atrocious it is, and we're just like accepting, like, it works.
Oh, I don't approve it, but unfortunately, if I do the collider approach, it's going to take me time.
Deep down, my soul is also hurt by this code, but I think I just had to let it pass.
I'm dead on side already. That's how bad it was.
Yeah.
At least Nick will come to the rescue. So we got the directional light. Wherever that is. Where are you, light?
You don't need to see it.
It's just directional, isn't it? I forgot that.
Yes.
Yeah.
It says the rotation of it, which you have in the top right.
So, yeah, okay.
Should we do this by code? Yes, we should do everything from code.
Considering the amount of time this took, I'm starting to think I'll never get my dragons.
It is madness. We've been working on this cutscene for 3 streams, but it's because we haven't.
Yeah, but we didn't manage to work on Sunday last week because Chris was editing a video, and then yeah, that happened, and I was just like, I'm in bed, sleepy. Oh,
it's okay.
It's a little bit.
We're back here working now.
My hay fever is really bad, so it's not fun.
Mr. Pips will get more love soon.
Yes, at least he doesn't set off my hay fever. It's a Snuti code guarantee.
Right.
Yeah, so should we want to change this?
Yes.
Achoo!
Yes. Then saw you guys doing Ludum Dare. That was back in 2013. We did Ludum Dare.
Yes, that was ages ago.
Yeah, we haven't done any recent Ludum Dare.
No, we haven't. No. Is there still a frozen T-Rex that almost a dragon? Yes, there is still a frozen T-Rex. They're still dropping into the ocean, and there is a hidden one as well. Yeah. So
Z, we have the T-Rex.
Yeah, the T-Rex. It's a primitive form of dragon. T-Rexes?
Yeah.
There's one next week.
We're not doing a Ludum Dare next week.
No, we're not doing a Ludum Dare.
Well, it would have been tempting, but no, that will just make me lose sleep.
I'm down if the topic is too much pandemic related. I'll pass properly. What, the dragon?
Yeah. No, the Ludum Dare.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I agree,
probably.
because it
Yeah.
should be something completely unrelated.
Okay, apparently Z says that's not good enough. It needs to fly in speed frames. Okay, well, see, what I'll do for you later is I'll just have a flying T-Rex and an ice cube flew in a particle collider.
I can
Job
see
done.
this happening.
Job done. Make it do a screenshot Saturday. You would.
Yep. Right.
Don't do an Aragon. No, we're gonna do a flying T-Rex and an ice cube. What are we doing?
Nothing.
It'll be spewing fart particles, I'm sure. Yes, if I'm doing it, it will, yeah. It will.
I serialized a field called sun.
That was great. This is gonna end so well. Didn't Spoony have a tutorial about doing a time lapse?
He did.
Sunlight.
And we're not using it.
I know, Chris is bad. I mean, we need to use Spoony's tutorial.
Oh, yeah. See, this is gonna be.
Does it work with
With this atrocious system, no.
atrocious system? Yeah, that's it.
It's gonna be fine.
We'll send the code later to Spoony and he'll fix it.
Right.
Nick will fix it.
Need to open source this project soon,
It's open source it, yeah.
so people can
But then people will start putting dragons in it.
like randomly appear on stream. Yeah.
Like, well, where did this code come from? Serialized field. Dad? Question mark.
Right. So I think,
Why are we putting in the volcanic soil?
after all of these are played, we can do it.
Oh, yeah, it's a good idea, but maybe we should just call it.
Or maybe not. We can also just do the time. Yeah, what are you saying?
No, that's fine.
If time is greater than 12 seconds. This is a fabulous idea.
Send it to Nick so we can fix it. Then send it to Spoony so he can fix Nick's work. Then send it to me and I'll just rewind it from scratch. And add a dragon in.
And the game will never be finished. Oh, why did I do a light? I wanted to transform, not the light.
Oh, yeah. I really want to make a game to publish, but I just never get around to it. You can do it. Does streaming help?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Because we have a lot of fun.
Yes.
But it does not necessarily help with productivity and good and clean code.
But sometimes it does.
Well, it depends, because there's multiple ways of streaming. Many people stream like, here I'm doing my work, and we're streaming a bit more like, hey, let's have some fun.
And Eileen is just saying, I'm still here doing my stuff.
Oh, that's good.
I think actually, Eileen, you're just like AFKing slightly, so you don't have to see this atrocious code. I think that's what it
She's
is.
just cringing too hard at our code. Why is this not liking this piece of code? What's wrong with it?
Because Eileen doesn't approve.
Yeah, okay.
Nick doesn't approve. Nobody approves. In that case, self-promotion, I used to stream game dev for Japs.
All right.
Awesome. Should we continue doing that?
Absolutely. I think
What do you do?
I'm just trying to hook up the light. It's supposed to be not. Is it compile errors? It has some
There is.
compile errors. What is it called?
Invalid token. Is complaining about that.
Why is this invalid? Time doesn't exist. Time does exist. Oh, I'm up. Never mind. Now time exists.
I'm a senior software developer and I'd like to start creating games.
Yes. It's
Then
quite
you
a
can-
different beast to program compared to other things you program, but it is a lot of fun and it's not that tricky, especially if you know other programming.
And also as well, if you use like Udemy course or something, that can help you to get started and understand how to use Unity or Unreal or whatever. Then just download Unity and start. Anyone can do it.
Exactly.
You can do it if you're being cute. I was gonna say that.
And thank you for following this drum.
Thank you. It's true. Watch a stream for proof. Follow a few of the official tutorials. They help a lot. Yeah, and isn't Unity doing some free? They have the Unity Learn, don't they?
Premium Learn, yeah.
Yeah, and
for
it's
free 3 months.
Yeah, it's free for the time being because of the whole situation. So you should take advantage of that.
Yes.
When did you become senior? Just asking. Nice emote for a friend. When you're old and wise like a wizard, like Gandalf.
Depends how much beard you have. Right?
And you get a pointy hat to show how senior you are.
Exactly.
I'm old, I have 3 academic degrees. So, darn, my hat isn't pointy. You need to get a pointy hat.
Yep.
My mentor is a real senior. He worked on all the games from the 2000s.
Wow, that's crazy.
Pretty cool. Well, when you mean all the games, every single game made in the 2000s.
Which probably a studio, isn't it? So.
Who is your mentor, Eileen? Is it you? My beard's long though; it could cover my nose. But you just need the pointy hat, and the seniorness is complete. I'm also old, 36, and I can do it. 31 here. Half-Life, Portal are 2 titles apparently.
Okay, this must probably Gabe.
Yeah.
Gabe's
He doesn't own Epic though.
All right.
You guys are super cute. Thank you, Distron. What was confusing was the fact that it's the same color as Arlene right now on the stream, so I got confused. I was like, oh, not all the games that have 2000 in the title.
Oh, right.
Oh, okay.
Like City 2000 type of thing.
Yeah. Was there many 2000s?
It was for a while.
Well, it was for a while, yeah. I can't remember anymore. Distron is making a retro game. Ooh. And it's currently in beta testing in a demo. Ooh. Should share us the demo, Distron.
I'm just coding a bit. Don't worry.
I'm gonna make a floating islands game. That's the LD man. Is it gonna be like Nagrand in World of Warcraft?
Oh, that'd be nice, yeah.
Cute stream, cute chat.
Oh.
Floating Islands always is in the finals after Theme Slaughter, but never gets picked. Oh. You guys want to test the demo? What did you do, Krister?
See, I'm changing the lighting. It's going a bit slowly.
It was a bit too slow.
But it's working.
It's working. I like the fact that you can see the shadows.
Yeah. It's supposed to be a time lapse. It's not exactly lapsing so much, but that is really cool, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Looks ominous. Yes, we would like to test the demo.
Yes, shoot it our way. And we might have a little look at it after stream today.
Yes. We play games. A lot of games.
And by the way, talking about playing games, me and Claire have been thinking that maybe in a couple of months, maybe in June.
Yeah, maybe.
That we will start streaming some indie games sometime.
Yeah, that's what we were thinking about doing.
Yeah. So like maybe 2 streams a week. 1 stream for game dev, 1 stream for... look at that!
Yeah, so it's a bit like it goes from dark to light. And I was like, what's going on? It needs to stop as well. Yeah. How do you send it? Via Discord. Yeah, you can probably send it if you know Chris's Discordy thingy.
And if not...
If you're on any of the Discords, then yeah.
You can just join Judah's Discord and find me there.
You need to add screen shake when the pips land in the pot. Oh, Z, this is scope creep. This is scope creep.
Yeah, we need screen shake.
And we also need trails.
Whoa. Last build is already 6 gigabyte. Huge game. Well, that's what you get for making such high detailed small rocks.
Small rocks.
Yeah.
Small rocks. I didn't actually realize that was a legit word.
We had to look it up in Urban Dictionary and we realized small is a cute small thing.
Yeah, I didn't realize that, so I apologize. I thought it was just a cute word like small.
But Urban Dictionary knew better.
The lighting change was bad. It removed the texture from the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah, it did,
well, not really, because it actually doesn't have a texture. It's just the lighting which gives it that. But yeah,
Disco show.
We need to figure this out to make this look nice.
Paper rave party.
Ah.
That is not retro at all then. Who said I made a retro game? Yeah, Eileen doesn't make a retro game.
No, it's pretty high detailed in Unreal.
Smooth rock game.
Yeah.
No, I don't actually.
It's like a really cool stealth game with
Kristen knows more than me.
Cool mechanics and nice graphics.
Yeah, you need to share what you're making, Eileen, so everybody knows. Smooth sounds like smooth is a word that means face in my dialect. Like a dirty word for face. Well, not dirty, but more aggressive. Ooh, okay. Fellow Dutchie.
All right. So now we know which language Nixie's
Did you call me Dutch? You take that back. Okay, Dr. Javasaurus, where are you from? He's Belgian. Oh.
There's some rivalry going on here.
Yeah, the soil needs to realistically deform and the plants be procedurally generated.
No.
I'm currently preparing a massive thing, but I have to be quiet. It's gonna come around my birthday on the 14th of April. Ooh, that's gonna be about a week and 4 days before my birthday. So yes, I'll play it on my birthday too.
That's awesome.
Yes.
We're looking forward to this.
Yes, happy birthday.
Yes.
We're excited about this secret massive thing that needs to be quiet. And happy birthday to you too. Yeah, I know, but I'm 28th of April, so I'm a little bit later. So I'll probably have is it a Saturday or is it a Sunday this year? I don't even know. What day is the 14th of April even?
It's Tuesday.
Is it a smooth rock day?
And you also have Tuesday 2 weeks later.
have it on Tuesday? Why do I always have it in the week?
Claire, it doesn't make any difference for us. We work from home every day.
Oh shit, yeah. Small Rocks? Is it Small Rock? We should have
and Nick is on the 18th. You're like all lined up.
We're all like April babies.
Yeah, he's next Saturday. So it's gonna be Nick's birthday stream.
He's gonna have just a croissant fest for birthday for breakfast.
Yeah.
It's just gonna be a video for then, and a playable demo is off at least a month. Sorry, can you guys give me the Discord link? This one is asking.
Yeah, absolutely. I was pasting it in here a second ago. So it's Game Dev Friends Club up above. That's Julia's Discord server where I'm hanging out.
Do you have the actual link or no? No, Chris does not have the actual link.
Well, it's a big button on that website if you click on it.
Happy birthdays. Yeah, what we need to do now is we need to figure out when Z's birthday is so we can actually make a dragon in the game for Z's birthday. And then an owl for Orleans. And then Nick, what do you want in the game? Do you just want your code in the game?
When is Z's birthday?
No, we
don't know. Need to find this out.
Yay! Z, you're right. He's going to be like, oh yeah, it's actually May 19th. Oh man, I need to get done by May 19th. Oh shoot. Let's just making that up. I'm going to be 26. You're going to be 26 years young, Orlean. I'm going to be 29. That's
leveling up in life, bit by bit.
You're 3 years younger than me. It's all of the small rocks.
All the small rocks.
All the small rocks.
Collecting.
You're not 29. I'm 28, soon 29.
How? Are we?
You're 29. I'm 28.
Yeah, I'm turning 30 this year.
You're turning 30 this year. Yeah. And I'm turning 29.
Yeah.
And we're only 5 months difference. Just in different years, 1990, 1991. Mine is this month, but you're too late to stop it. Why? What? When was it? Was it earlier? When was it? You're not a day over 24.
My soul is 8,000 years. I lost count, but the body is 26. Yeah, that sounds pretty accurate.
29 is the age when you stop counting, right? To be honest, I never remember my age. And it's really embarrassing when you go into shops and it's like, how old are you? You can't buy this alcohol unless you're like 25 plus. And I'm like, I don't know, but I'm 20 something.
Javasaurus is in his late 20s for another 5 years. I think that's a pretty accurate description.
He's 25?
Well, yes, exactly.
Yeah, okay. Got it. Yeah, then you're young.
If I can put something in the game, it would be, what is that?
The circuit board pencil from my logo. Is that going to be like, in England, they have a lot of like hill drawing thingies, which are prehistoric, and I can't remember what they're called again. Oh, it's really irritating.
This is going well.
This is going very well.
Javasaurus has correction. He's very late 20s, so he's 26 then.
Okay.
I turned 28 last month and I lived for 3 decades soon, yes. Friar is also leveling up in life.
But what I was thinking is you could have it on the side of the mountain so that you'll be walking around and you just see like this logo on the side and it look like I can't remember what the fudge is called. What is it called? Brits, help me out here.
Cave paintings.
No, it's not cave paintings. It's like on the side of a hill like thing and it's like a drawing of like
Oh, right.
Of a person or of...
You know what UFOs make when aliens wish to Earth?
No, not UFOs. It's made out of... It's the chalk in the... Oh, you fool. Yeah. It's too late. It's too late in the day. Spoonie says it's in the 7th. After 20, I stopped paying attention.
7th of April.
7th of April. It's too late, man. Oh, what we are...
There's a lot of April people here.
4 days late. Well, happy belated birthday, Spoonie. Make sure to have some cake. Not virtual cake, real cake. You need real cake. It's very important to have real cake. Or croissants. I turned 28 late last month. I've lived for 3 decades. High five for being 28. You know Miranda Hart, right? Seeing your British by nature. Yeah, probably. I'm not sure. I'm not good with names.
Do you want me to Google that for you, Claire?
Yeah. I thought I was 24 for a year and I found out my birthday. And I was 23 the whole time, so I felt like I didn't age for a year.
I did that when I was 25. Yeah. Can you imagine? Only getting worse from here. So Miranda Hart, Claire, it's this person.
Oh, do you know her? Yeah, I know her. Yeah, I know her now. Oh, she's the comedian. Yeah, I know her.
All right.
Yeah. Sure said I'm in late 20s, actually being 35. Oh. Nick has sent an image. The thing in the middle.
Okay.
Let's do that.
Sorry. I'm trying
to... The demo is on its way. Thank you, Distron. I lived in 5 decades. You can't beat that.
Thank you for following.
Zach OX1000.
Nick has sent us this.
Oh yeah.
That's what you want to place in our game.
Well, I mean, we've got a nice little kitchen, so what disaster are we making?
It's for the Nick loop, you know. We need to have the Nick loop TM with this logo.
80s, 90s, thousands, tens, and now 20s.
It's complicated.
It's complicated. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, it's pretty terrible transition.
Terrible. I don't know whether it's because of the fact that it just feels like it's inside rather than outside.
But yeah, I think we need to separate the lighting. Basically, so the cottage doesn't change lighting.
Yeah.
But I don't know how to do it, or maybe we can do it like with layers or something.
Or maybe we should just have another light out here which changes it rather than the directional light itself. You guys are game dev versus friends, right? No, we're game dev friends, not game dev versus friends.
Right. That's a good way to put it when you have a chat here.
My 4-year-old loves your strawberries that I grow in the pots.
Oh, that's good.
Thank you. Thank you. We just make sure she doesn't eat them.
So I think a good idea here is to have 2 directional lights. One which affects the cabin and one which affects the world.
Yeah, okay.
Any idea how to go about making that?
Game dev battle royale. No.
Can't you do that in Unity? I think you can. Or is it like a big hassle?
You what? Yeah, repeat that.
Repeat that. I want 2 directional lights. One which affects the cabin and one which affects the world. So I can affect the outdoor lighting without messing with indoor lighting. Right? I think you can.
Just ask the Unreal expert. Can't you just do 2 cameras?
Well, that is also possible.
No, that doesn't work.
Evelyn knows everything about Unity.
I think in the new lighting system, you can see what layers are affected.
Yeah, exactly. Something like that. But I need to have a quick break.
Uh-oh, I've got to commit. Uh-oh. What were we committing? That we made a failure of a... I don't know. Making a somewhat... What did we do? I don't know. Oh, we changed that. Yeah, that's it. We fixed the volcanic explosions. Volcanic. Oh my gosh. Volcanic. There you go. Exploding pots. There you go. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Maybe with shaders for 2D at least. I don't know for 3D. No. You could make a script or layer the lights. You have multiple options. Huh. Could do that. You could fake it with spotlights. Oh, that's what I was also thinking of. But Chris is not listening to my ideas today. And there's seagulls making lots of sounds now. Combining both will be really, really annoying now. Yeah, but couldn't we just turn that spotlight on when the cutscene is finished? I'll wait for Krister, but I don't trust his consensus today. He didn't agree to my colliders. Yeah, you can turn them off and on. Yeah. Meanwhile, Claire will just dugger snuggle. Making a script that is like a gizmo light script. You can just set the mask. I'm pretty sure. I don't know why you need 2 lights. Well, because we're trying to have it that the day-night cycle happens, so it looks like it's actually time is progressing rather than just diddly squat. Change it to the colliders while he's... I should have done that. Damn it. But it probably would have taken me too much time. And he's fast. I don't understand. We've got loads of suggestions here.
Right.
Aline is saying we should use probably a spotlight outside. But then she also doesn't understand why we need 2 lights.
Because I want to rotate one of the lights to make it look like a time lapse, like it's day and night.
Yeah. Well, I think I explained that. Day and night, right? Yeah.
But, I mean, spotlight maybe?
Well, yeah, because, I mean, that means we'd have more control, so we'd only be outside, not inside, surely.
Also make the sun... Yeah. Nick, we're going to get to the sun and moon passing by the window. That would look nice. Yes.
You know what we should probably just do is we should just make, what do you call it? An image of just, like, you know, a nice little backdrop that we just roll around. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Actually, that's not a too bad idea, because we could make this, like... You know, why do we have to make it realistic?
Yeah, well, we could just be like, move the sun like that.
If we could be more artistic.
We can also just move the sun like in rotational order.
Nobody sees your hand. Claire's doing this.
Just doing this, like rotational. Yeah. You could also do that as well and have the sun be the light.
Yeah.
But then you wouldn't have the darkness. You could shut off one light when it's below -89 degrees, and then the moonlight goes on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Except we don't want the cabin to change light so much, I think, because it looked really weird on the
I think
pots.
it's because we're using directional light.
Hmm.
And you can't really control directional light the same way.
Well, you can. It's just rotation, which is what I did. I rotated on the y-axis.
Okay, but we don't want it to be inside the cabin. We want it outside. You could lerp the lights dark and lerp the other lit.
Yeah, that's true.
The cabin has non-specular light in it.
Mm-hmm.
You could put light mask, I think, but I don't 100% remember. With no shadows. Think, Java, think.
Yeah, we're thinking hard too.
We're thinking hard too.
Because maybe we should be changing the light in the cabin a bit, but maybe not too much, and that could be...
We could also set a light inside the cabin.
Yeah, if you have a point light in there.
Yeah, so that it's not going to be affected by that.
Yeah, should we try?
You're thinking too complicated here. Directional light should be considered as the sun.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And you're right. I just felt like it looked weird when we did it.
Yeah, because it's affecting the inside of the cabin. But surely, like, the cabin should have its own kind of like light in a way.
We can just try to put an indoor light in the cabin and see if that helps a bit. Because this looked weird. Obviously, the start's in the wrong position.
Yeah, that is fine. That's something we can address.
Well, it could also be that I'm setting it completely wrong. Because I just coded it very rough while you guys were chatting.
Okay, let's see.
No, before you do that,
okay.
let's look at the values it actually turns into.
Yeah, the directional light has a column, but light would shine through a cabin. Yeah, but surely not through wood.
I don't think it cares what material it is.
No.
Because if you look now at the directional light, right here. Yeah, it's in 0, 0, and then rotates the Y value, which is probably why it looks so crap.
Okay.
Because it probably needs to be, tilted up a little bit.
Oh, yeah,
down,
okay.
like this.
Yeah.
But obviously...
We were doing it on the Y, okay.
It shouldn't... And we should turn it off when it's from below.
Yeah.
Like Evelyn was suggesting.
We usually shut every light out that could show through the floor. I need popcorn for this. And we need popcorn too. If the light source is not above the land or visible, shut it off.
Nick says, sorry, I can't help her. Never done anything with lighting. And I have some family stuff. Be back later. Good luck. Thank you, Nick. We'll see you around.
See you. Thank you for the help.
And thank you for the sub earlier.
Have a really nice day.
Yes. Have a lovely
Enjoy
day.
your family time.
I need popcorn for this.
That's what I just said.
Yeah.
No shadows. Your directional light is not a sun.
Our directional light is a sun.
I'm a general light expert, but you don't have to listen to me. It's not a logical sun. It doesn't rotate right.
Yeah,
it's just how I would do this.
Exactly, which is probably
like
my mistake with the setup in the first place, because we should be rotating on a different axis than I am.
Maybe that's what we should change.
Yes. Okay, if we unplay, how do we want this to act? So you said 45, 130. Do we want to rotate the z-axis? No, that doesn't do anything, because that's rotating around itself.
Yep.
But is it the x? Yeah, I think so.
Guess so.
We obviously have no idea of what's north, south, east, west.
I just feel a bit
game.
like it's only affecting really the light inside, and outside just looks normal.
No, it doesn't. But obviously, when it's from below like this, we need to turn the intensity down.
Yeah, okay.
Like that. And then we also need to change the fog color and things like that.
Yeah, okay.
So yeah, we need to probably rotate the x-axis.
Sun doesn't rotate only on the Y. You make a world axis, parent sun to it, world axis rotates.
That's a good idea, actually, because that way you can get this funny axis direction, which is a bit more realistic. But it's not that important, because it's a locked camera.
You should only be rotating the world axis, which is the center of the world. Why, Zach? Indoor scenes with a dynamic outdoor light source get especially weird without shadows.
All right.
Yeah.
Right. I think we're going into that weird territory, aren't we?
We're definitely.
I just decided to move the light in here, so it's a bit easier for us to visualize, because we don't need it really on any special location. Because now the sun is shining down from the top left. Okay. But one thing, I was planning to change maybe the sun direction in this level in general, just like into we liked it. But maybe it is a good direction already. So I wanted to frame things nicely, like the cabin wall here. So when you get later here in the game, like it looks inviting. Yeah, this wall looks inviting.
Does it look inviting?
I think so, because it's brighter than that wall,
That is true.
right?
Yeah.
Because if you had the sun rotated this way,
No.
the window does no longer seem inviting.
Yeah.
So I think it's important that the sun is in roughly this area here.
Makes sense.
Can maybe go up a little bit to 140.
Suns does go through wood if there's cracks. If you're noticing I have cracks in my walls.
But then we can, let's see, if you rotate this, yeah, I think that will do okay.
We need some RTX on in here.
Ray tracing. I was trying to see, like, is this how we want it?
I don't know, is that how we want it?
Do we maybe need that world axis he's talking about? I think maybe we should try it.
Yeah.
Let's try it. I'm gonna throw it in as a child here, and then reset transform.
Reset to the top.
Reset position. Okay. I'll also reset rotation. Again.
Okay.
And then we
Maybe
need to
name it so we know.
This will be sun parent.
I lived in this flat since 2016 now, and I just found out I can lower the shower holder, where you attach the shower head if you don't want to hold it.
That is incredible.
Oh. I tend not to adjust the shower holder because
I'm glad
I break them on a regular basis. I tend not to do it.
I'm really glad that we can join you in the bathroom, Evelyn, and be company for you.
Yes.
That's so
the
dodgy.
bath. World axis won't work with directional though, I believe. You would need to have a spotlight.
Really? Because I can just parent these to each other. Then
the directional can't really move.
No, but it's not the movement. I'm just gonna do rotation like this. So now when this axis is rotated X, it depends on the parents or the child, right? So this is a different.
The blueprint in this flat are fascinating. Are there any, like, you know, secret areas that I don't know about?
Yes, of course there are. Right, because now that's a different angle, see that?
Yeah, okay. We don't see it from inside though, but...
Now I found it's easier to visualize from the outside.
Okay. You just moved it over there, I think. Your mouse.
Whoopsie. Are we getting somewhere?
I think we are. I hope so. Are we getting somewhere? I mean, it's nice to see it from outside, but inside it probably looks crap.
Oh, did I modify? No, I haven't. Okay, that's cool. Okay, let's look for it from this side.
Yeah.
If I do X0 and then...
Well, that looks better.
That looks nicer. That looks horrible.
That looks very horrible.
But that looks nice. I feel like we're onto something. Really like that.
Yeah.
There is sun coming through the wood here. That's like we were talking about. There are cracks. There are cracks.
Oh. Is the flat made in Unreal Engine?
Ooh.
Oh. No, it was made in Unity. It has lots of cracks in it.
The blueprints in this flat are fascinating. Love it.
I hope you don't have a leaky flat. That's not fun.
No.
I don't like leaky flats.
I'm just trying a bit different values. I'm parenting them, reparenting, and rotating a bit.
I'll leave you to it. I'll be AFK in the bath, but I'll keep the stream on in the background.
Oh, that's nice, Evelyn.
And don't make sure don't electrocute yourself.
Have a nice, lovely warm bath,
yeah.
and that's exactly how you should start your
so
Saturday mornings.
Don't run away. Seal up all the cracks, including the plumber.
Yeah.
And welcome back, Eva.
Hello. All right. I think we're onto something.
We think.
We think.
I think.
I think.
I think. I think I don't.
Right. So if we go to here and then hook up the sun parent.
The sun parent. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Yeah.
And instead of rotating in the vector up, we do vector right.
Right.
And always an issue we're having is the fact that it's supposed to start at 0, but we start in time at 12 seconds. So I guess it's time minus 12.
Magic numbers.
Or
magic numbers.
This is
magic numbers.
Float start time equals 12 seconds, right?
Mm-hmm.
At least you know what the magic number represents. Time
magic number
minus start time there, multiplied by 50, because then it will at least start on 0, so it's not going to be like a jarring jump after.
Yeah. Happy early Easter! Happy early Easter to everybody as well.
Yes.
Make sure to have Easter eggs. We had Mahusiv Easter eggs.
All right. Yeah, they're gone from Doggo Cam now.
Yeah, because
Let's see now.
He was upset.
Obviously, I haven't done the brightness. Okay, it was still a bit jarring.
Yeah.
This is so weird. I can't make sense of what's going on.
I think we should have had it like spotlight outside. I think today Chris is not listening to any of my advice.
But the spotlight outside wouldn't have looked nice.
No, well, maybe, but it wouldn't have affected everything inside. What you need to do, Zach is coming to the rescue, is to listen to the crazy dude.
All right. And he said, Sacco, World Axis won't help. No.
You would need a spotlight. You need a spotlight. Is that the one that you wanted us to do, Zach? Try lights showing down on your cabin and see what that looks like first, and then program.
Well, that's kind of what we've done, isn't it?
Yeah, but with a directional light.
Yeah, well, we're talking about directional light here.
Are we talking about directional light? Directional and spotlight.
And spotlight. That's demanding. Spot.
Yeah, you need to be happy first. Yeah, we need to be happy, Krista, before programming.
Alright, always make bad programming. But so how are we thinking this spotlight? Like shining in the inside of the cabin or the outside of the cabin?
Maybe so we have the same lighting inside. I don't know. Should we have it inside the cabin, the spotlight?
Why is it not affecting anything? Oh, it's probably the intensities. Oh, there we go. See?
Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, this is.
It's fine. This is exactly what he meant. I love that in the game view.
Is your world access a 000? Lighting is one of those things that often stumps me, but it's awesome when you get it right.
Oh, this looks great. Do you have multiple walls on top of each other with sea fighting?
No, I don't think so. I think I only put one.
This one tells me otherwise. I wonder if we have something weird going on with our cottage here.
I think the frame is weird. I think. No, it's not that.
Well, that's interesting. Well, this one we can solve by moving things around a bit.
The spotlight should be outside, never inside.
Okay, we'll listen to him. But obviously there's light inside the cabin, is what I was thinking. But are we shining the spotlight onto... He said onto the cabin, but I was thinking onto the world.
Switch the lighting mode to important instead of auto.
Alright.
So instead of...
Let's see if that fixes the problem in here. Real-time, mixed, baked. This is the lightweight render pipeline. I don't think it has important.
No.
Oh no, there is it.
There is render made.
Yeah.
Important there.
It did help.
Yeah. You've got some Z fighting. Try moving the walls so it's not
Yeah,
overlapping.
let's not worry about the sea fighting. We can correct that, but that's a minor issue. We need to look at the big picture.
You shine on the cabin and view from the inside of the cabin.
Yeah, let's try that. Move it outside.
We'll get there eventually.
I just want to see if the important thing made a difference. Still have that weirdness, like turning off, turning on. Lighting in Unity.
Lighting.
I want deferred lighting or deferred rendering. I heard that's working better, but that's only in HDRP at the moment. But it's coming to UVRP. In the future, for the time being, we will deal with this. But I don't see how this is going to help us.
Well, I mean, let's just see what happens when you play.
Well, obviously, it's just going to be this extra light.
Well, yeah, but let's just see anyway.
Oh, the toon shader is playing up with it. Because it actually takes the, 700 intensity. Well, nothing else is affected by 700 intensity light on it. My toon shader works better than the rest.
But just play, please play. Click the button, otherwise I'll start controlling. I want to see what happens. Oh. Why is it so bright inside the cabin? Is there a light in there? No, there.
Because I think the it's not showing a shadow. Maybe that's our problem, really.
But lazy, that's kind of nice.
Actually, yeah. Ooh, yeah,
that was nice. And actually kind of like had some form of...
Yeah, I like those shadows.
Yeah. You would have to turn off directional light to see the difference, though.
Yeah, but we do see some difference.
Yeah.
And obviously the problem as well is that the directional light goes underneath the world and it's still turned on. We haven't programmed it to turn off.
I mean, if you turn it off.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, I didn't mean to do that.
Yeah, you can do that.
Oh, but we need one directional light. I'm confused. Are we using the same one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There's only one directional light.
Okay, sorry. No.
But I think we're on to maybe something.
No, turn off the directional. Turn it off. Turn off.
We need to programmatically turn it off then. But we can turn it off for the time being.
You're making the spotlight act like a sun.
Right, if that's the goal. Ooh, that looks nice.
It does
Look
nice.
at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we could potentially like...
This is what I have been telling you for the last 20 minutes!
Why have you not done it then?
Because you're the one who's still under control!
You can control.
I've been saying to you, let's put a spotlight outside the entire time! The entire time!
Okay, I'm sorry.
You didn't want to do my colliders, you didn't want to do my spotlight. I think the only reason he's got the problem here is him.
I should go over to the corner of
Put
shame.
it where you liked, but then I have another suggestion. I mean, like...
I think what we should do here is put an animator on this. But don't listen to my ideas.
I'm not sure whether I like Chris's ideas right now.
Yeah, because then we have control to
Just
modify everything from the strength to the position and everything, and then make that loop,
because
that
that's
animation.
the thing, like we can have like this, you know, so you can actually see like the time lapse thingy,
Yeah.
and you know, oh shoot, I clicked away from it.
I like how the toon shader needs a little bit of adjustment for this light.
Yeah. But then like text being you can just.
Well, in Chris's defense, he was up until 2 a.m., so he's a little off his game today. I wasn't up until 2 a.m. I wasn't tweeting at that time. We figured out the tweet was at 8 o'clock last night.
Yeah.
Having a rough morning.
It's magic numbers. Magic numbers, or it's the colliders, and Chris goes to the magic numbers.
And colliders.
You didn't even do colliders!
Oh, that's true. Okay, I'm gonna restock your water, because we need some.
Need some water. Now I can't see. I just. Radioactive strawberries. I like the idea. Very nice. Thank you, Alex. Yeah, it's just our toon shader script is acting a bit funky monkey with the spotlight. So once it looks good, I'll make the next suggestion. Right. Well, we need to make it look good now. Let's just like drop down the intensity. How do you want this, Christer?
Here's your water.
Over like that. Oh, we want the sun around like here. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You're very good at making where the light should go, but
not the rest.
not the rest.
Yeah, but it's not gonna help because we need to animate and move it.
Okay.
So I think we need to have an animator.
Okay. Yeah. Do you want to add the animator on there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's two different senses. The first was a joke. The second was related to the project.
Oh. Sorry, did we misunderstand?
I'll tell you how to move it, but don't put an animator.
How do you think we should move it then if we don't use an animator? Because are we gonna like program the positions?
First, does it look good?
All right.
We look like radioactive strawberries.
Well, we can fix that. Okay, and then that's what he meant. Parent it, and then
point light in the middle of the cabin. Add all the lights.
And then make a parent in the center and rotate that parent so all the lights will actually rotate around it. I think that's what he means.
Is that correct, Zach?
Is that what we're going for here? That's a terrible prefab.
What is that? You choose. No, you're close.
I'm close.
You're close or you choose? Your choice. I'm not sure. Go with your close.
Right, because if we make a parent here and then have the spotlight parented there, then when you rotate... Wait a second.
What are you doing?
That's on center instead of pivot.
Alright.
Right, that will move the light. That's probably what it means.
Oh, okay, yeah, got it.
We probably need this one a lot further away.
What, maybe you shouldn't click on
Nope,
the
that went
thing and actually find it in the hierarchy. There you go.
Right, so
We need a bit further away, yeah. Dog cuddles are always out of stock. You come too late, Spoonie. We should just reserve a special doggo cuddle.
you can still request them.
Yeah. You'll get it whilst Chris tries to fix his lighting. Either Spoonie needs to join the stream earlier, or everyone needs to wait until Spoonie gets into the stream.
Oh, yes. And thank you for following Kapteinen. Oh, Morris also wants dog cuddles.
Hello, how you doing? Hello.
Apparently spotlight into that game object. Yeah, okay, I think we're on the right track for what Zach was talking about.
Yeah. I just feel. Yeah, okay. I feel.
I think we can't have it further away.
Hello.
Let's not worry about the toon shader being radioactive for now. Now that that's parented, and if we rotate this,
I made more scratch instead.
now this kind of looks like it's a time lapse. Ish.
Huh?
Looks a bit weird.
Your colors are.
This is more complicated than I expected it to be.
I know. It's all those small rocks, yeah.
Small rocks?
It's all those small rocks, yeah. You're so fluffy.
Sun doesn't rotate on the y-axis. Well, yes, I guess you're right. It's on a different axis. But is it?
Yes, more is these guys are cute.
But X here will be weird. Or maybe it won't. Oh no, yeah, okay, X can be right.
Winky.
Because then it comes up there and then it goes down.
Weird grin again, my friends, huh?
Right. That's not a bad idea.
Oh, yeah. Good scratch.
Oh, so then I have an idea. Basically, once we reach the designated time, we just fade off the directional light so it all goes dark, and then we turn on that spotlight and then animate it like you're suggesting. I think we're onto something.
Is Krister finally understanding what's supposed to be right?
I think so.
This is more complicated than I expected this to be. Snuti 2019 to 2020.
Yes.
Pretty much, Krister. Yeah.
That's the summary of our entire... Oh, they're so cute.
I know they're cute. They're sniffing each
Entire
other.
game. Oh, now he fell out of bed.
Small rocks.
Small dog.
Small dog, hello.
Yeah.
My name is Moritz, and I secretly squish Winkies.
Alright, we're trying to fix dog cam.
Yeah, I'm trying. Oh, I have a
I
weird.
think she's just like flat underneath there.
No. She's just behind him.
Hmm.
She's a bit cold. She's getting warm.
Alright.
So yes, we were getting somewhere.
Yeah, make sure the game object's in the center of cabin. Yes, I believe it is. If you look at the positioning here, that's...
It's a bit off center.
But yeah, but it's okay centered, I think.
Oh, I still got tea.
Magic. This was actually a really good idea. Thank you for giving that input. Because now, when we rotate this one, you see here, Claire?
Yeah.
On the x-axis, if you look in the preview, you have...
Oh,
well,
okay,
that went funny.
That didn't go funny.
Yeah, there's some type of...
I think it's just because when you're dragging it like that and it's going off screen and things like that. Yeah.
Or maybe you need to move it a little bit closer in again. Maybe I have it too far away. So it's more here. Like this, maybe? Let's try to rotate on the x-axis again.
She's sneezing again.
Complicated to make this look right.
Yeah.
Am I such a big noob? Is that what's happening here?
Maybe it's the radioactive strawberries that's throwing you off.
Could be. I feel like we should have it like really throwing those shadows in the window ledge here. That's what I want.
Chris is like, why did we decide to choose a time lapse?
Well, the story needs it.
Yeah, the problem is the sun would never be that close in the first place.
I know, but then when putting it far away, it has problems. Because the shadows go all wonky. Or unless we make the spotlight narrower, but...
Or you could just make the intensity lower on the thingy, surely. Oi, sorry, Winky.
I think we need to place the sun close.
Things would get different.
Like, are you thinking that we should place the sun realistically, or not realistically, but like this far away? I don't think that's going to work with a spotlight and throwing shadows. I think we have to like fake it and put it like way closer than
fake it till we make it.
Well, that's what we always do.
Wait. No. Yeah, actually we do.
I feel like this is not too far off. Apart from when I tried to rotate it and it just
No, it's because the fact it keeps going onto the other screens, that's why.
Alright. Like. Yeah.
It still doesn't feel right.
No, it doesn't.
No.
Well, that's maybe better. Maybe it's better on this axis.
Maybe.
It's supposed to be a combination maybe of the two axes.
But the sun wouldn't work like that. Maybe mid-range.
What
The
is?
z-axis is better.
It's not quite right axis, but we can try to rotate a little bit to... I'm just gonna put them away from each other a bit. Have the y-axis a bit more this way. And then reparent it.
Oops.
Call this the sun parent.
Yeah. I love the fact you have that twice, but...
Yeah, but I'm gonna move the directional light back in again here.
Okay.
And I'm gonna turn it off temporarily.
Okay. Yeah,
delete
good.
the other sun parent.
And
now, if we rotate on the x-axis, no, z-axis was it?
Z.
Yeah, this.
Try putting the spotlight straight across from the z-axis.
Now then they will moving straight up. I want a much more like horizontal movement. Right, I think this is okay. Isn't it?
I think so.
I really liked when it went across though, like, you know, like a lazy sun, which you would have in wintertime.
Whichever way try putting the spotlight straight across from the z-axis, whichever way the spotlight faces, you have to rotate up that way, otherwise the sun is sideways. Complicated.
If you had done this with an animator, we could just like animated the position of it. So just like, because I think what would be cool with it is if it travels across. You know, if the kind of goes like this from down here. If you don't have it in global and travels kind of woo, because then you get like, you know, across the windowsill right there.
Okay.
And then it goes zoo, zoo. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that would be what we're looking for.
So you're thinking more of like a lazy winter sun then?
Yeah. I think so. Because this one is only there to cast the shadows. And then we can animate the directional light on and off, on and off. Right, so when after the shadows have passed by, then it goes to daytime.
Yeah.
Then it's evening. And then the shadow goes past again. Right, so this is just a shadow casting, faking thing.
Because the thing is, when you do it like that, the plants will be well lit, but what is with the background?
Yeah, maybe you have to have more lights. Like another... this is getting complicated. Like another one just to light up those trees over there. Is that what we're thinking? Or this hill?
Light goes zoom. If that looks good to you, but you still never made the correct sun rotation.
No, I know. I was struggling with making the correct sun rotation. That's why. Yeah, I'm such a noob.
We're both noobs, Krista.
Because, I mean, yeah, okay, if the sun stands straight up, we could do that rotation. Might actually be quite right.
Make the light face the window, then adjust the game object rotation parent.
Yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are we happy with that? I think we have to combine multiple movements, which is why I'm thinking to do it with an animator. We can do it with rotation. I think it has to be a bit of Y rotation and a bit of Z rotation.
I think so.
And parent sun,
copy
rotation to the game object, and then we can do it one axis.
Then reparent sun as child.
Yeah, okay, that's what I was on to doing earlier. I don't think I should copy rotation. I think I should just try to eyeball it. So it's a bit like, oh, can I do that? Right? So we're creating like a gimbal which is on its side. So then the Z, yeah, see here?
Okay. No eyeball. No eyeball, Krista. Copy.
No, see here. See here. This is perfect. Eyeballing is awesome. Look at this. Yes.
Oh, so it's going up like that? Yeah.
Right now it's on a nice axis. I did it.
We think.
We
do not know.
This is it.
We just think. We did it!
Yes.
Yeah, Zach also
See,
first.
eyeballing it. It was complicated though. I don't know, rotations wasn't in my head. Not.
Lord.
If you're not happy, I'm happy. Well, or I mean that I'm satisfied. I think.
I just love the radioactive barriers are still radioactive.
Yeah, they're kind of radioactive.
Especially when you go through there, that's radioactive berry.
Intense verification.
We need to eat, I think.
Do we?
We do.
Is
We're
that how?
hungry now.
Okay. One thing we can do though, sun parent this up here. No, wait a second. In here, missing transform. Sun parent.
Okay.
But up there.
Okay.
Click on sun parent. Put it back to.
Volcanic berries in the volcanic soil.
Needs to start at. I don't know. It needs to start out of sight, doesn't it?
Yeah, I would say that. Maybe? Yeah.
I find it strange that it's. Why is it affecting things here if it's below the ground? Are we missing some shadow casting?
We might be. We might be.
Lighting in Unity is so weird. I think it needs to start around this axis.
Okay. Let's do it.
Which is minus.
Another suggestion would be to adjust the light color based on the time. Sunlight gets much more warmer yellowish during late hours.
That is true.
And thank you for the follow, J2350. That adds to the realism and believability. Mm-hmm.
Start. Rotation.
And thank you for the follow, Mode Stasv.
Awesome, thank you.
What you need to do to make sure the sun works even better is...
It's party time. No.
I don't know.
I think this is okay now. Actually, it's right now. It's supposed to be because it's the Z axis. It'll be actually.
Let's go to the scene. Rotate the game object. Oh, sorry. Let me just yawn first. There you go. Okay. Go to the scene. Rotate the game object manually, slowly. Copy down the 2 rotation. It needs to be turned off when it's under the world.
Yeah. Which actually I think right now is, for example, minus 45. Yeah, it's a bit of a manual. Everything is a manual programming in this cutscene.
Manual.
We're gonna see what this looks like now. Obviously, we are missing the daylight sun, which is
That's
supposed to be animated on and off. There we go. Kind of looked weird. That is not the right axis.
Nope.
What?
Nope.
Oh, are we supposed to do local rotation?
Maybe.
Local rotation? Is that the wrong area here?
Who knows? Who knows?
No, but surely the parent would be set to the 0, already. The captive Welsh woman! Honest
Hi.
Dan Games! Hello! How are you doing? I was hanging out in his stream yesterday.
Oh!
And he was like, yeah, he's from Wales.
Okay. Hello!
Yes.
But I'm sorry, I can't speak much Welsh apart from one sentence.
Do your sentence
I'm
then.
not going to do my sentence.
Oh, come on. What is our dog's name?
I don't know what my dog's name is. The Z-axis, you have the time affected in X-axis, I believe.
I did vector 3 forward. It's forward. Is it right? Which is Z-axis?
Did you put forward?
Try to do
I
right.
thought right was the correct one.
Well, I guess if you rotate on around the right, yeah, that would be the Z. Wouldn't it? No, I don't know. Yeah, we can see if
That
it's
is Dwyn Hoffi Coffee. No, it isn't actually. It's my key gonna be your enemy Moritz, but I probably got that wrong, and I'm gonna be blamed for my accent being atrocious.
Oh, that's it. Is this the wrong way? We need to do left.
Is it left? Okay, not right then.
Right? Because the sun...
Oh, I need to hear Clay say that out loud. I already did.
Come on, Claire.
I already did.
Find your confidence.
I did both of them. I even did that and...
Channel your inner Welshness.
I can't do that unless you give me Welsh cakes.
Oh.
We actually bake Welsh cakes.
We can see if it works now.
Because they don't sell Welsh cakes over here.
Of course. What did you write?
I'm pretty sure I wrote it right.
Left.
I put left. It's left, right?
How do you rotate it in the x-axis? But it's local x-axis.
I'm sorry, I completely lost track of what you're doing. What are you doing?
Yeah,
Just watch the game object and scene. It'll show the rotation changing. Okay, let's do that then.
Oh, we reset the other rotations. That's what's happening. We don't go on the... Yeah, we are overwriting. So
okay, just...
No, just don't unmaximize on play.
Oh no, I'm doing.
Right. Yeah, so we see we end up with X000.
Oh.
And that's the problem. We
Okay, so
obviously
we need to have it on.
a program it wrong.
Okay. And also, Nick just said the wood looks metallic with that light change.
Yeah.
So that might be why it's been weird. So we need to have this then at the...
I think Ford was correct.
Okay.
But the problem here... What?
Not just like funny.
Is that we need to be based...
It's quaternions again. It's a problem.
It's quaternions, isn't it? It needs to be based on the original values.
Oh.
Right.
This is what happens when Claire and Krista don't get enough food.
Yeah. Do we need to fix this another day? Is that what you're saying?
No, we can do some of it now, and then we just have to fix it another time.
Right.
I mean, Honest Dan Games was just like, my Welsh is so atrocious, he laughed, you know?
Oh.
I can tell you a one-liner. A one-liner joke?
I did not leave. That's nice.
Admittedly, though, you know, I was brought up with French and English, so, you know, Welsh wasn't exactly
priority.
Yeah. And I lived in Cardiff. End of. Didn't really need Welsh there.
How can you get
I could read it though, and I still can read it. I'm good. Like I can still read Welsh.
Can we do Euler?
I just can't translate it for Krista, but I can read it.
Let's do this as Euler, and let's just program it dirty so we can get this working.
One line of code to make it work. 15 years of programming. I was near to Cardiff. Where are you from?
We like Cardiff.
We like Cardiff.
But we like Swansea
more because it has a beach.
We studied there, so.
We studied there. And it has a Tesco, a big Tesco. We like our big Tescos.
Yeah.
I know Cardiff has a big Tesco too, but meh, you know. What's the vibration all the time?
I think it's messages on Discord. I should probably mute my phone, but that hasn't happened.
It's a distraction, Krista.
Right, we've done those Euler angles instead. And I just written them in. Nobody scream at this piece of code.
Everybody scream.
Don't cry.
Please
Don't
cry
cry
and scream.
Let's send some love.
Send us some love instead, okay.
Wishing this code luck.
Oh gosh.
Moment of truth. What was that?
What was that?
It's rotating on the right axis.
It just started in the wrong position.
It started in the wrong position.
It started in the wrong position. We think we get in there.
Because it should be minus 35. Didn't I do minus 35?
Magic numbers.
Magic numbers.
Oh, we should start making this like, you know.
Oh, it's supposed... I wrote it wrong. Is this... Okay, you know what? I'm going to go with more. Minus 35 plus this one. See? And more magic numbers. This is the solution to everything here. Yep. I think we can just like caption this game the magic number game.
I'm ashamed.
Look now.
Oh no.
It's gonna work fabulously. It's gonna be like this. See? You see that Z?
Why do you say Z? It's to everybody. It's to Zach and...
Yes. But that worked.
I Z that, Chris.
Yes.
I see it.
So that worked.
It did. Just radioactive blueberries. Strawberries. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. We'll get around to that.
We'll get around to it.
You know, calculating light attenuation is
Really hard.
Not easy. And the lighting attenuation in Unity is really weird.
Chris is just going to blame the engine.
I'm going to blame the engine.
Volcanic, not radioactive. Okay, sorry. Volcanic. Lava berries.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
But yeah, we need to work a bit on the look and style of this level.
We do, yeah. We should probably work on that tomorrow.
I think actually...
Don't give Eileen any more fodder, Chris.
Yes. Actually, I like quite a bit...
No, we can give her smooth rocks, though. Smooth rocks.
I don't know what you guys think, but I like the evening look. Doesn't it look kind of cool?
It feels like it's Norwegian winter where you only have 5 hours of sunlight.
Yeah, we could have like
if
this
you live in the south.
really low-hanging sun and maybe a bit more orangey sky, and then like a spotlight on the cabin.
Random clouds up there on the skybox.
And we can change the skybox.
I like the fog. Oh, thank you.
It's a bit too like blue saturated, but I think it has potential.
Well, it's supposed to be icy. Hello. He looks frozen to death.
Yeah, we need light in here.
Oh, he did. We did give him that look, didn't we? That he looked a bit.
Oh yeah, we turned him blue.
Yeah, we turned him blue. We turned the blueberry blue. Would you believe it?
Create 3D object. No, create light. Spotlight. No, point light. This is important. Why is lighting in Unity so crap? Like, yay. Render important.
Don't. Otherwise you'll be told to use another engine already. You'll get a YouTube video, Krista.
Because I don't know if you guys seen it, but in somewhere, no. Like, is it here? No.
No, it's not that.
If we go into our project settings here, it's really interesting when it works. Settings, here. Okay, we don't have it. You know, here, render type, forward renderer. In the future, there's going to be something called deferred rendering there, which I think was going to...
Has it not been released already?
No, well, for HDRP you have it.
It says per pixel light count.
Is that too low? But, like, I have one light here and one directional light. Why is it too many lights?
I don't know. Why is it too many lights? Per pixel light count does matter. It says per pixel there. There you go. Main light per pixel per...
Yeah, but it says object limit 4. So it is high enough. Per vertex does not help. Disabled.
Forward rendering.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Who knows?
It's basically Krista and I need to eat some food.
Yes.
It only goes to 4?
Yeah. I think you can maybe put it higher. I don't know, 6? No.
No, you can't. 4 is 4. Is it just in the editor though, or does it happen in game?
It does happen in game.
I use 8 in an older version of Unity.
Yeah, I remember being able to put this higher as well.
Maybe is it the anti-aliasing or something? Like, I don't know.
No, that's unrelated.
If it's the main light, did you just have per pixel? Yeah, or disabled, okay. Food time! Yes, food time.
Yes, Claire's giving me a hint here.
We need food, I'm hungry.
Yeah. Right, should we have a little look who else is streaming?
Raining. Per pixel lights are expensive though.
Yeah, you know what? That's why we run this on like GTX graphics card. This is low poly game.
Oh, mean. Oh, you mean. I'm gonna save this. So we're gonna figure out...
Strawberries. No, Fryer.
No, we don't even have any strawberry jam, but we have apricot jam. That's why there's no apricots in the game. Just go HDRP.
In the future. Maybe.
To finish the game.
We're gonna definitely do HRP in the future because I want those features. I don't want to sit with like this. Like I put a light in and it doesn't work.
Can't you afford expensive lights if you have a lightweight models?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Oh, careful there! Don't knock stuff over, Krister. He almost knocked his water.
That's fine. It's
not good. Not good. You could have destroyed a computer.
Let's have a little look.
Let's have a look.
In science and technology.
Vitenskap og teknologi.
Kanaler på norsk. Fuglekassen live.
What? It doesn't reduce the amount of pixels. So.
C probably has a better understanding of how it actually works.
Oh, you know, wonderful hatchlings live and dashing ducks and the lurk zone.
Anyone doing game dev?
We need somebody with game dev.
Oh, these people.
Oh, these people.
Team.
Yeah, we should go for them.
Yeah.
Have a fun day, all. And you too, Spoonie. You have an awesome day.
It's Mercenary Mage. He raided us once.
He did.
Should we try Mercenary Mage today?
He has a camera.
It's been a while. I haven't seen him in.
We haven't seen him in ages.
So, I think that's a good idea.
Transmission, blah, blah, blah. Anything else?
Oh yeah. Sorry. Should I go further down the list?
We should go all the way. We should always go all the way. I'll study with me, day 22. Woohoo.
Indie game dev here as well. Over light dev. Who's this guy?
I don't know. Who is he? Should have a look. Okay. Whoa. Bye. Bye. We were just gonna raid, so you can come join other people.
Yeah, we're gonna hang out a little bit in the raid.
Yet. Next version of Z is Z++.
That'd be good.
It was a sweet stream as always, guys. I was rather quiet today. It's not working whilst watching the stream. That's fine, Boobar. Yeah. At least you managed to do some good work. That's awesome. Thanks for the stream.
Did my demo end up coming through? We'll talk on Discord later. I'll have a look later after I've eaten and walking the dogs, etc.
Yes, we will. Yeah, don't have any devs online. I know. Have a good day, both. Hello, everybody. I'm so sorry, Commodore user. We're just about to raid and end the stream. I'm so sorry.
Good to see you, though, Commodore.
That's really nice.
Thank you for coming into the stream, even if we're just about wrapping up here.
And this one says, well, nice to meet you guys. I was nice to meet you too.
Yes.
I like that maybe I'll change my nick to Z Plus after my birthday. Oh, yeah. Oh, that'd be so awesome.
Z Plus has leveled up. Yep.
He's also doing Unity.
Yeah, he is. See this guy, what is he working on? Developer from India, using C#.
Z++.
And we have also Boone here, working.
A game jam.
Should we go with Boone or Overlight? Dev. Well, this seems like a cool project.
Oh, should we go? This looks like let's go for this dude. It looks cool. He's smiling as well.
I want to know more here.
Big Unity user. Yay, Zach.
Yes.
And thank you for the help, everybody who's been helping us out. We've been moving out, and Krister hasn't exactly been listening to suggestions, so I apologise for that.
I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I've been atrocious today. I feel like I've been letting stream down, but you know.
But thank you for contributing, everybody. You're all awesome, and we hope you have an absolutely awesome weekend and week, and continue to be awesome, because being awesome is awesome.
Yeah.
And that's way too often used in this stream. I'm sorry, but yes. And be safe.
Yes.
More fails is bigger entertainment value.
Yeah. Evelyn, how are you doing? She says okay. Have you had a good bath?
It's a nice bath. You haven't seen our atrociousness, I hope. She probably has. She's like, oh no. Keep being awesome, take care, and have fun the rest of your weekend. And thanks for streaming. And everybody have a really, really nice Easter and enjoy your Easter eggs. I forgot that.
We will see you next Saturday.
See you next Saturday, as always.
Yeah.
And
thank you so much, everyone who's been here today. For the people who's been hanging out and also just watching today. And I wish you
watching us fail.
Yeah. I'm sorry today's stream has been a bit weird, I feel. But it's been good conversations. You guys have been awesome.
Take care, dude. No, dudes.
Yeah.
You too.
Okay, let's raid
this.
Boone. So get ready, guys.
Familiar.
Right.
Aw, Mr. Pips loves Mr. Believe.
See you in the raid.